because one item, which is last listed day before yesterday, the Lordship will remember the promotion to the post of Tourism Development Officer. Unfortunately, the matter has not been listed. May I pray the matter may be taken up, Lordship, immediately after the regular motions? It may be listed.
You give your slip.
My lord. Obliged. May I please your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention this W8 petition for listing. Lordship, this matter relates to the dismissal from service on false allegation of sexual harassment. Lordship, disciplinary authority, while imposing punishment of dismissal from service, does not follow the findings of the internal complaint committee. So, Lordship, during the matter last came on in the month of November 2023. Lordship, may I pray to come this matter as early as possible, Lordship. Date 11 March, Lordship. 13th March. Please, your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20 and 42, my lord. With the consent of the other side, my lord. Item 20 and 42. 20 motion matter, my lord, and 42 admission matter. Because of the physical inconvenience of the engaged counsel, my lord, kindly matter will be taken up next week at any other date, my lord.
Who's the engaged counsel? Who's the counsel?
AAR Karim, my lord.
Huh?
AAR Karim.
Okay, on request made on behalf of AR Karim and the counsel for petition. Release the matter after 2 weeks, after 1 week. Yes, item 42.
42.
Okay, Hurt MS.
B. Burma.
B. Barman and the counsel for petition on request made on behalf of AAR Karim and the counsel for response number 7. Release the matter on 15th March. 15th.
And item number 20, my lord.
20 after 1 week.
Okay.
20 that may be on 13
Okay.
13.
Right, listeners. I am praying for listing this matter for motion today, Lordship. It is urgent.
Why?
It is urgent, Lordship. Recruitment process, Lordship. They have conducted the Viva yesterday, Lordship. Result declared on 27 and addendum also declared on next day, 28. 29, they have conducted, Lordship, Viva. There is large scale anomalies, Lordship. So kindly let this matter come today, Lordship.
Viva was conducted when?
Yesterday, Lordship.
The results?
Result declared on 27 and another addendum.
What result? When Viva was held yesterday, how result will be declared on 27th?
No, written test result declared on 27. They have enlisted the candidates who have qualified for Viva Lordship. And thereafter, on 27 declaration of the result of the written test, they have issued another addendum whereby they have declared some few more candidates to be eligible for Viva Lordship.
Then?
On 29, they have conducted the Lordship in 3 posts, Lordship. There are 3 posts. In 1 post is superior to the other 2 posts, but they have conducted a single test for all categories of the Lordship. And the constitution of the committee also not properly, Lordship. Selection committee properly not constituted, Lordship. Marks, whatever marks obtained by the petition candidates in the written examination, they have not declared. They simply declared the person who have qualified in the written test, Lordship. There are so many anomalies,
So we
Lordship.
can have it on Monday. They will not declare the results.
They have going to very hastily, acting very hastily, Lordship. They can appoint the candidates at any moment, Lordship. So kindly let this matter come today, Lordship. I'll take a chance to.
Have you filed?
Yes, Lordship, I have filed. It is filed today 2680 filing number.
Okay, 2 p.m.
Yes, Lordship. Obliged, Lordship.
Meet legal Lordship. I beg to mention this writ petition for withdrawal. May I pray it to be listed on Monday? Obliged.
Item 1 of daily motion. One.
My lord, the senior engaged counsel, Mr. James Saiwala, has been newly appointed, and yesterday only he has received all the copies. So,
For the petitioner?
for the respondent, ASTC.
But there's no one appeared for the petitioner. None appears for petitioner, list after 1 week.
2,
May please your lordship. This contempt petition, my lord, the order starts from my lord, page 12, 11%, page 22, my lord.
Yes,
Paragraph 3 and 9. my lord. That-
60 days. It has not been done. No proposal has been sent.
Till date, my lord, they have not
Have you
paid.
served copy?
Yes, my lord. Immediately after the order was passed, I have communicated the orders, my lord, to all the respondents, my lord.
Where?
My lord, on one of the such representation, my lord, I have annexed up page 25, my lord.
This is not a representation submitting the judgment.
Yes, sir.
This is a read it.
My lord, along with this representation, my lord, they communicated the order also, my lord. Though, my lord, it has not been mentioned.
How do we know that you have served copies? How do we know?
I have stated that, my lord, in paragraph 3, my lord.
They heard I cycle and the counsel for petition. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on all the respondents by a registered post AD within 1 week. List after 6 weeks.
3,
The contempt petition, my lord. The order starts from page 8 and the relevant portion is page 13, my lord. Paragraph 10, my lord.
Heard I cycle petitioner issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on all the respondents. What is respond number 2?
Check, my lord.
Yeah.
But I'll have to amend.
We'll have to amend this post title first.
Yes.
Cancel the order. Mr. I cycle and the counsel for petitioner. Place for
1
1 week,
week.
1 week time to file an appropriate application for amendment of the cost title.
My lord, instead of that, my lord, I will withdraw this contempt petition and refile the same, my lord.
Okay, Mr. Ayers, I can counsel for the petitioner, press for withdrawal of this contempt petition with liberty to file
My
a
lord.
fresh. Accordingly, this contempt petition is closed with liberty as per.
Obliged, my lord.
4,
May please your lordship.
Mm.
This application is for in violation of the order dated 25/5/2023, my lord,
Mm.
passing judgment on 3967, my lord.
Mm.
And my lord, relevant portion at page 33, my lord. Para 23. And my lord, last part of paragraph 25, my lord, whereby directed to complete the whole process within a period of 4 months, my lord. Para 34, my lord. Yes. And my lord, accordingly, my lord, I have communicated on 23/6, my lord. Page 35.
Okay, heard, Mr.
A.K. Sharma.
Learned counsel for the petition, issue notice. Petitioners to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by a registered post AD within 1 week. List of 6 weeks.
5,
Lordship, item 5 and 6 may be kindly taken together, Your Lordship. Both the petitioners, Your Lordship, terminated on the basis of an inquiry report, Your Lordship, in pursuance to the order passed by this honorable court in WPC 311/2021.
Where is that order?
Order, Your Lordship, will find in item number 6 may be taken, Your Lordship.
I'm taking up item 5.
5. Order, Your Lordship, will find page 29, Your Lordship.
Page 29.
29, Your Lordship. This writ petition was filed by one Tahir Ahmed Borboya, Your Lordship. He was the president of Gao Panchayat, president of Dakhin.
No, page 29 is annexed to
Sorry. Page 40, Your Lordship.
Huh?
Page 40, Your Lordship.
40.
40.
Yes.
In this writ petition, it was alleged that, Your Lordship, 53 INRM schemes has been got administrative approval without holding the Gao Sabha, Your Lordship. But this honorable court, without entertaining the writ petition, liberty was given to that petitioner to approach the respondent number 1, Your Lordship, with filing a representation, Your Lordship. Accordingly, the petitioner, Your Lordship, filed representation, and on the basis of the representation, inquiry was conducted, Your Lordship. Inquiry report, Your Lordship, will find page 44 onwards.
Yes.
Page 40. Findings, Your Lordship, will find from page 45.
Mm.
May I read, Your Lordship?
Mm.
During the course of investigation, we initially approached the Chief Executive Officer, Kashyap Jila Parishad, for his views on this matter, and subsequently we have interviewed and interacted with the Block Development Officer and Accountant Sunai Development Block, along with GRS 10 number Dakshin Soitpur JP, AE of Sunai Development Block, Abdul Basit Borboya, Gram Shabok, and the then in charge JP Secretary of 10 number Dakshin Soitpur JP. We have also randomly visited few MG and Rega scheme executed in the JP area, and also met few job card holders and PRI members of Dakshin Soitpur Gao Panchayat. From the interaction with the Jila Parishad, Block and Gao Panchayat officials, as well as with job card holders and local PRI members, following facts came like. This is important, Your Lordship. A GPDP Gram Sabha was held on 22/11/2019 to select MG and Rega, the Finance Commission scheme for the financial year 2020-21, which was presided by Tahir Ahmed Borboya, JP President of 10 number Dakshin Soitpur JP. The Gram Sabha was attended by 209 numbers of persons.
Come to page 47.
47, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, in this inquiry report, Your Lordship, page 46 important, Your Lordship. Page 46. C may be kindly prepared, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Subsequently, a public petition was signed by 5 numbers of group members and public 620 numbers. Your Lordship, 620 numbers was submitted to the Deputy Commissioner Kachar CEO Jila Parishad with a request to taken up 77 numbers of schemes under NREGA, citing the reason that the schemes approved in the Gaon Sabha dated 22/11/2019 for the financial year 2020-21 was unsustainable, and fresh schemes there is 77 numbers may be taken up to give employment to laborers and save poor laborers from the hunger. On the basis of that request, Your Lordship, 53 numbers of schemes got administrative approval, Your Lordship. But Your Lordship, in the finding conclusion, Your Lordship, petitioners, Your Lordship, and the item number
What
6.
happened after this?
After this, Your Lordship, proposed notice was issued, Your Lordship.
Page?
Type copy, Your Lordship, page 48. That petitioner did not receive that notice, Your Lordship. Subsequently, a reminder was issued on 2 August 2023, Your Lordship. Page 50, Your Lordship. Accordingly, petitioner submitted his reply, Your Lordship. Page 51. May I read the reply which he has given, Your
Not
Lordship?
required. Then what happened?
Then, Your Lordship, without considering his reply, Your Lordship, petitioner's contractual agreement has been terminated, Your Lordship. Here, the petitioner submitted, Your Lordship. His role comes only after the scheme got administrative approval for implementation of the scheme. Here, petitioner has no role regarding the selection and approval of the scheme. This has been approved only on the basis of the recommendation by MLA, Your Lordship. BDO forwarded the scheme to the Deputy Commissioner, Your Lordship, and Deputy Commissioner approved the scheme. After the approval, Your Lordship, petitioner's role comes, Your Lordship. He has categorically stated in his reply, Your Lordship, but response number 1, 2, Your Lordship, without considering this fact, Your Lordship.
Where's your contract agreement?
Contract agreement, Your Lordship.
Page
Page
26.
26, Your Lordship.
Page 27, 11 is the termination of contract.
11.
Yes,
11.
in this agreement. ma'am.
You given a show cause notice.
Yes, Your Lordship. In
You
spite of
replied
that,
to
Your
the show cause.
reply in the reply, Your Lordship, he has specifically stated his role comes only after the scheme got administrative approval. Here, regarding the selection and approval, he has no role to play. At this stage, Your Lordship, I'm praying for issuance of notice, Your Lordship.
Notice we can go. What, Mr. K.
Mira,
Mira?
Your Lordship.
Then also for the petition issue notice. Panchayat in RD,
Yes, PNRD. ma'am.
your
As Dr.
as Datta and Standing Council PNRD appears for respondents.
1, 2, 4, 5, and 6.
And 6.
I'm for 3.
DC,
I'm for
Mr. C.S. Hazarika and the government advocate enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 3. Notice on respondents.
In fact, my lord,
Our-
number 4 and 6 is the same person.
Anyway,
My lord.
extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file counter affidavit. List after 4 weeks.
Item number 6 also similar, on the basis of same inquiry report, Your Lordship. So I'm praying for issuance of notice, Your Lordship.
Here also same.
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 1, 2, 4, 5, and 6.
Yes. ma'am.
Same order.
Oblige you.
Alright.
7,
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in the present proceeding, I am challenging the selection procedure of an lower division assistant of Assam Legislative Assembly Secretariat, lordship. Page 18, lordship, annexure 1 is an advertisement. And this advertisement was published on 14 June 2023. And I am concerned with the post of lower division assistant. It is reflected as serial number 3.
Serial 3.
Serial number 7. lower division assistant lordship. Yes. And the total 6 numbers of posts were advertised. Out of the 3 were reserved for the unreserved category candidate. 5 belongs to the unreserved category candidate.
Okay.
And lordship, page 23, that page 23, from the upper, the serial number 7 in the left side, left portion of the page, lower division assistant, lordship, that that interview process was consisted in the 2 category. First is the written test, second is the computer practical test. And this advertisement was uploaded in the official website. Page 25, annexure 2, serial number 2, a corrigendum was published whereby the eligibility criteria has been changed. Earlier it was the 45% marks in the degree examinations, and it was enhanced to the 55 enhanced to the earlier it was 55% and it was amended to the 45% lordship. And the page 28 is an admission certificate lordship. It is call letter for the written test. Written test was supposed held on 26/11/2023. This certificate was uploaded in the official website. And the my grievance is lordship, that page 36, annexure 5.
Yes.
Yes, this is a result of the written test. Lower division assistant lordship. It is lordship will find in the left side of the page lordship. Yes, this notice was published on 20 January, signed on the 20 January on 2024, but it was uploaded in the official website on 29 January 2024, and the written computer test was held on 28/1/2024. So, since it was uploaded in the official website, after the second stage of the recruitment proceedings, I could not appear in the computer practical test, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, that
You were successful in the written
yes,
test?
I am successful, lordship.
Your roll number is here?
Roll number 186. 232186.
Yes.
His lordship. And the computer test was held on 28/1/2024. But it was uploaded in the official website of the Assam Legislative Assembly Secretariat on 29 January 2024.
Now, how the others appeared?
Lordship, that I have no idea. But one more issue, lordship, I would like to point out. Page 38. Page 38 is an lordship that it is a copy of the Assam Tribune on 20 January. That result was published in the Assam Tribune, but it was not uploaded in the official website. Since it was not uploaded, I regularly check up the official website. Since it was not uploaded in the official website, lordship, I missed the second stage of the recruitment proceedings. And the result was declared on 21/2024. Result of written test was declared on 21/2024. 20 January 2024 result, and it was published in the Assam Tribune paper on the same day, 20 January 2024. So that it may be either 21 or the 2022, because newspaper was published in the midnight at 12 AM. But it was signed on probably in the office hours, in the morning hours. So lordship.
So what do you want?
Lordship, that this is my second round of litigation, lordship. Earlier I approached this honorable court. After filing of the petition, they have declared the result of the written test and the people has been appointed. Accordingly, earlier I withdraw the petition with a liberty to file a fresh one, lordship. And lordship, at this case, notice may be issued. And I have respondent number 3 to 5 are the private respondent, lordship. They are selected.
They've been selected.
They have been selected, they have joined.
They've already joined.
They have already joined. After filing of the repetitions, respondent
Okay,
has to-
hurt Mr. R. Majumdar and also for the issue notice. Mr. You are appealing for?
I want to, 1 and 2.
Mr. Tishima, retail and something, additional senior government. Appears for respondents 1 and 2. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondents 3, 4, and 5 by a registered post AD within 1 week.
and the dusty service also may be permitted, Lordship.
Within 1 week from today. So, additionally, the petitioner is also permitted to take post service of notice on the respondents 3, 4, and 5 by dusty service to the registry of disport within a period of 1 week from today. Stop. Thereafter, petitioner shall file an affidavit to the docket list after 4 weeks.
Lordship, any appointment shall be made
No, no,
subject
no.
to the outcome of the repetition. If I succeed,
No.
Lordship, only that much not
He was
clear,
thinking
like-
about his better, my lord.
Hmm?
Everybody
No,
knows
I am
he's
not
sleeping
cheating
over,
over-
but
I
he
am
came
not
to
cheating
know
over,
on
Lordship.
29th
They have-
February.
they have
It was
not
published
appro-
in Sport 20. Why he did not go there?
The
Lordship, that
appointment will be subject to the outcome of this petition.
On
What
the-
is wrong?
No, that is not wrong, Mala. Otherwise, but they will see, they will stay order like.
Lordship,
There's no stay order.
Lordship, only just subject to the outcome of the repetition.
Appointment of the respondents 3, 4, and 5 shall be subject to the outcome of this petition.
Much obliged.
8,
May I please, Your Lordship?
Hmm.
Lord, this petition is preferred for not recommending the petitioner for appointment on compassionate ground, my lord.
Not recommending.
My lord,
Where's that DLC magnet?
my lord, DLC means, my lord, they are separate committees there. They do not fall under DLC.
Okay, which department? APDC?
My lord, APDCL, my lord.
Oh,
That is, my lord, at page 32.
32.
Ah,
Hmm.
this is the list, my lord, whose cases were considered. And kindly come to page 77, my lord.
Hmm.
The top part, my lord. May I read, my lord? The family of the deceased received a monthly family pension of rupees so and so, which appears to be sufficient to save family from starvation. Otherwise, also a casual employee gets a lump sum monthly amount of rupees so and so. It is also found that after the death of so and so, the family had received a considerable amount of rupees so, which if invested wisely could also generate a substantial monthly income. Hence, having regard to the fact of monthly pension and regular income, which can be generated from the substantial terminal aggregate amount, it appears that there is sufficient adequate financial resources available in the hands of the defendants. Hence, the case does not deserve to be considered for compassionate appointment.
Now, how do you know this is your?
Yes, my lord. My name is my lord. এটা নামটো আছে নে? The father's name is there, my lord.
Late Mahindra.
Mahendra Singh.
When was this done?
My lord,
Where's the minutes?
that is, his name is at
When was this taken up?
39, my lord. Page 39,
No, date.
or date of dates, my lord.
No, not the date of the consideration.
My lord, that is, I didn't find, my lord. Because when I approached, they gave me a copy of this, my lord. From this, I could come to know that my case has not been considered.
When did you receive this copy?
My lord, last month I got. That too, a soft copy I received, my lord.
When did your father die?
2014, my lord.
Date?
Date of death, my lord. 12/5/2014.
12/5/2014.
14. Now kindly come to page, my lord, 29.
Yes.
My lord, I have been asked to furnish documents, my lord, on 11/5/2020. Actually, not I have been asked, their officials were asked. And my lord, kindly come to 31. By this letter, I have been asked.
Mm.
7/8/2020, my lord.
Then
Thereafter, I was not informed about my status. And when I approached there, they have given this annexure 8.
yes, but
Actually, consideration appears to be rational because the scheme, your lordship will find the compassionate appointment scheme at page number 79.
mm,
One of the,
this was in operation.
this is the last, after this, now presently we have the compassionate family pension scheme, your lordship.
Mm.
Now appointments, compassionate appointment scheme is no longer there. So these are probably the last batch of consideration. But the eligibility criteria, it says that the family is indigent. I'm reading from 6A, your lordship.
Yes.
The family is indigent and deserves immediate assistance or relief from financial destitution. So, lordship, at page 77, the consideration in the case of the petitioner, it appears that apart from the 25,000 family 25,080 rupees of family pension that they are already getting, your lordship, apart from that, an amount of rupees 13,96,136 was also given to the family. So perhaps they will not meet this criteria, Lord, because financial institution is one of the, so on that ground, perhaps it was not considered for compassionate appointment.
But when was this considered? The date?
I'll have to get instructions on the
Just
date.
get the date.
Yes, sir. I do not have the exact date.
But Mr.
Yes, Sahu.
Learned Counsel for Petitioner, Mr.
AP Pathak.
AP Pathak, Learned Standing Counsel,
For,
ABDSL,
for
shall,
respond numbers 2 to 7.
for the respondents 2 to 7, shall take instructions as to when the case of the petitioner was considered by the council authorities for compassionate appointment.
Obligation.
We shall take instruction with regard to the date. With regard to the date on which the concerned authorities consider the case of the petitioner for appointment and commission.
Deeply.
Look, a date be fixed.
List, how much time you require?
1 week's time, your lordship. Or I can get it on Monday also, your lordship, because only the date.
Monday, I will not be here. Next week, except Monday, my lord. Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday.
You can have it on 6th, list on 6th.
Aye. Item 9.
None appears for petitioner,
It's already rejected, lot, it was 21.
MS
RDB.
RDB, then the CGC appears for the respondents. List after 2 weeks.
10.
May it please your lordship, my lord, matter relates to non-granting of my lord, NFFC means non-financial upgradation benefit with effect from 7/7/2004. At this stage, notice may be issued, and pendency of this writ petition may not be barred to consider my grievances. That much.
Heard Mr.
A Goel.
A. Goyal and the counsel for the petition. Issue notice. MS B. B. Sharma. B. Sharma and the CGC.
For all lots.
This appearance and accepts notice on behalf of the respondents. Accordingly, notice on responses are complete. However, extra copies you.
Pendency of that.
List the matter, respondents are allowed to file counter affidavit, list up to 4 weeks. Pendency of this petition shall not be barred the part of, shall not be a bar for the respondents to consider the case of the petition.
B, please.
11,
Please, your lordship. The matter relates to the recruitment of constable and PSF. Ministry of Home Affairs lordship. The here lordship, the petitioner has rejected his candidate declared as unfit by the review medical board on the ground of genital vitiligo. The interim letter lordship is 44 lordship. And my humble prayer, lordship, as per the medical guideline, lordship, if a candidate is rejected as unfit, the review medical board should be examined. There should be thoroughly examine the defect of the candidate, and the opinion which have been taken that should be supported.
Yeah, we can issue notice at this stage.
Lordship,
We can issue notice at this stage.
We'll file a.
But Mr.
DC not.
D. Sinha, let me counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. MSR David and its CGC enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all
lots.
all respondents. Notice on the respondents are complete, however, extra copies be furnished, so and so. The respondents are allowed to file counter, list up to 4 weeks.
12,
May it please your lordship. Lordship, the matter relates to appointment of compassionate ground. The application of the respondent was rejected on 7th December 2023. Lordship, at this stage, notices be issued.
Page rejection.
65, lordship. Last second paragraph. The SLC examined the case of Srimati Jintumuni Pegu, daughter of so and rejected for appointment on compassionate ground on the following grounds. Point number 7 of OM issued by so and so, dated so and so. If several years have passed after the death of a government servant, it would appear on the face of it that the family has managed to support itself all these years and some measures of subsistence. In this case, compassionate appointment would not ordinarily be justified. Lordship, the application was filed in 2015. There was no delay on the part of the petitioner.
Yes.
Notice my comment.
What MS?
P. Gupta.
B. Gupta.
P. Gupta.
P. Gupta. Let me counsel. Issue notice. We are appearing for
All the respondents.
all.
No, no, no. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 6 or so. Joint Secretary, General Administrative Department, I cannot.
JTU appears.
There is Fukon, I think. Fukon, no? Fukon, all of Fukon.
This is routine and additional senior government enters occurs and accepts notice on behalf of
126.
126. And Mr. A. Furkan, learned
General counsel.
standing counsel, GAT. Oh, his name is not reflected.
Not reflected, perhaps copy the,
Have you served copy?
No, Lordship, we'll serve a copy today.
Okay, MS, so and so, learned counsel for petition shall furnish a copy of this petition to the learned standing counsel, GAT, within the course of the day. Stop. Respondents are allowed to file control. List after 4 weeks by reflection the name of the learned standing counsel, GAT, in the cost list.
Much obliged.
13,
Take me, Lordship. Lordship, this is the promotion matter, my lord. The promotion of the petitioner has been cancelled due to the low medical category, my lord. And he has done the LASIK correction in the year 2021. And his medical category has been recorded as E2 permanent, my lord. But in the opinion, my lord, specialist opinion, his vision is recorded as 6/6, my lord, in both heights. So at this stage, I am praying for notice, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
V. Kumar, my lord.
V. Kumar, learned counsel for petitioner, issue notice. Mr. R.K.D. Chowdhury, learned Deputy Solicitor General of India. And this appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Accordingly, notice and respondents are complete. However, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file contract at least after 4 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
14, 14,
Lordship, this matter relates to appointment of Ka Pradhan, Lordship. Appeal lies before the Law Commission, some Lordship. So in similar case, Lordship, Honorable High Court passed order, Lordship. Not to appoint private respondent, Lordship.
Oh, like the one to see. That's the one you can reflect. I'll just give the basics.
Lordship, the case number WPC.
Where's the advertisement?
Advertisement,
Third MS,
T. Begum, Lordship.
the Begum, then the counsel for the petitioner. Also heard revenue.
Yes, sir.
As data, then standing counsel revenue for the respondents. One for the respondent number 1, DC. CS Hazarika, then it's government advocate for the respondents. 2, 3, 2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, 4, and 5.
2, 3,
4, 5.
4, and 5. Okay. Para. Pursuant to an notice dated 26/5/2022, whereby invitations, applications were invited for 101 vacant posts of Gaunt Ratan under Revenue Circles District, Nalbari. The petitioner applied for the post of Gaunt Ratan of lot number 4,
Yes, sir.
Rajaghat, Benikuchi, Benuviji Revenue Circle District, Nalbari. Stop. The case of the petitioner is that he is the son of ex Gaunbora Kakendranath Das. The petitioner therefore. No. And accordingly, in terms of clause 12 of the notice dated 26/5/2022, the petitioner submits claims to have a superior claim over the private respondent number 6. Stop. Is it 6?
Yes,
Yeah,
Lordship.
over the private respondent number 6. Stop. Where's the Mozadar certificate?
Mother certificate, Lordship, Annex 6. Page number 24.
The certificate of the petitioner.
This is not issued by Mother Lordship. GP certificate, Gram Panchayat. Page 25, your Lordship will see the heading. Sonita Burman, President.
This is not the Mozadar certificate. Okay, stop. Then after that, we will continue with JS data.
Lordship, page 28. Page 28 is the Mother certificate.
The further case of the petitioner is that he has been issued a certificate by the Mozadar Natun Diha, certifying that he is the son of retired Ganbura of village Rajkhat, Venuguji village. Para. Then as Dr. When are you filing your appeal?
Lordship, within 10 days, Lordship.
Within 10 days of the day thereafter.
Lordship,
Shall
the
consider
post may be vacant for in the meantime, Lordship.
shall consider the so within a period of 2 months.
Of like,
15,
May I please, Lordship?
Hmm.
Lordship, matters relates to regulation of service, Lordship. The petitioners were engaged as the work source palm operators, Lordship, under Public Health Engineering Division, Hailakandi, on 3/2/1987, 1/11/1983, 1/4/1987, and 19/3/1987, Lordship. And subsequently, they were allowed to work as work source operator, Lordship, and they are still continuing their services, Lordship. Lordship, the similarly situated employees, Lordship, prior to appointed before 1/4/1993, all the employees are got their services regularization, Lordship.
Where's that?
Lordship.
Where's the regularization orders?
Lordship, at this moment, I have not annexed that order, Lordship.
Okay. Then
Lordship, petitioner was on the parts of their retirement, Lordship. And
when are you retiring?
Lordship,
When are the petitioners retiring?
Lordship, petitioners number 1, Lordship, he is on 59 years, Lordship, of his 1 year his service remaining, Lordship. And petitioner number 2, only 2 years services left, Lordship. Lordship, at this moment, we prayed for only issue notice, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, notice may be issued. I'll get the instructions within 3 weeks.
Okay, Hurt MS, Mr.
MH Soikia, Lordship.
MH.
MH Soikia.
Thank you. Issue notice. MS,
M. Kalita, Your Lordship.
M. Kalita, Learned Standing Counsel,
All the respondents,
PHE,
PHG.
Department. With this appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents. Accordingly, notice of respondents are complete, however, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file function. List of the files.
Obliged, Your Lord.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please note, plus the conducted counsel is on leg loss. I may pray that the matter will be taken after some time.
Seventeen.
May it please your lordship. The petitioners before your lordships, all are employees under National Health Mission. So, my lord, they completed 10 years continuous service, somebody completed 17 years service, my lord. But the thing is this, my lord, their service is not regularized. Government come with a notification in 2021 that their retirement age is fixed at 60 years. Some benefit has been given, but regularization benefit is not given. And your lordship, another thing is the Supreme Court held that for equal work, equal pay to be given. That decision is carried out by the Punjab government, my lord. But thing is this, my lord, our case is not considered. Government in case of contractual employment, my lord, in case of teachers, their service has been regularized by cabinet decision, but our case is not considered. That is the nutshell in the case, my lord. At this stage, my lord, notice will go. Thereafter, let the government come with the reply.
Heard Mr. Misc, when the counsel for the petitioner issue notice. MS,
A. Bora for respond number 2
how about health?
and health for B. Government. His name may be
Mr. B. Goel and the standing counsel.
1 and 3. 1 and 3.
And the standing counsel. Health Department appears for the respondents, 1 and
3.
3. You are respondent,
And for the respond number 2.
MS.
A. Bora.
A. Bora, then the standing counsel, NHM. Appears for respond number 2. How about 4? Union.
Union, my lord.
Yes, R. Devi.
Union of
You agree? And MSR Devi, then it's CGC appears for respond number 4. Notice on respondents are complete. However, extra copies.
Hello.
Respondents are allowed to file counsel, at least after 4 weeks.
Much obliged.
18.
May please your lord.
Ah,
Lordship, Annexure 5, page 23 is a selection list, lordship, for the post of SI unarmed branch, lordship.
page,
Page 26, Annexure 5, lordship, arising out of an departmental examination held on 7/1/2024, lordship. This is under silence before this honorable court, lordship. In this regard, lordship, I just submit one thing, lordship.
on what ground are you challenging this order?
This is page paragraph 13, lordship, page 11, lordship. These are the grounds, lordship.
Yes, what is your ground?
Lordship, paragraph 13, page 11, lordship, may I read, lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, A, lordship, the guideline number 2 in the circular number 2 of 2023 speaks about eligibility that any police officer who has 3 years experience as ASI head constable shall be entitled to sit in the examination. However, it is seen that there are some ASIs who have not completed the 3 years experience as ASI head constable lots. And another guideline number 5 provides that the Departmental Examination Board shall work out the modalities, including fixation of minimum qualification percentage of marks for selection of candidates for promotion to the rank of SI unarmed branch through a competitive examination with the approval of DGP Assam. However, no such modalities have been made available by the Departmental Examination Board lots.
Did you appear in the exam?
Appeared lordship. And another thing is that another matter is also pending lordship, which is fixed on 11.3 laws. Same cause of action laws.
Is it correct?
Yes, but there is
That
667.
I don't have, whether it is fixed on 11th year, other matter I don't know.
667 of the 2024 lots. WBC.
6.
WBC 667
In the motion.
motion. So it was notice was issued lordship and fixed it on 11.3 lots. My president notice may be issued in this case on this matter with
No,
the.
according to you, what happened? You appeared in this
I
exam.
have appeared in the examination, but lordship, some persons have been selected lordship, which have not meet out the criteria.
You have not been selected.
I have not been selected lordship.
Please notice go your lordship, that is not an issue.
What, Mr.
R. Fukan lordship.
R. Fukan Learning Council for issue notice. Mr. C.S. Hazarika, Learned Government Advocate, appears for the respondents.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, your lordship.
1, 2,
3,
3,
4,
and 6.
So I am appearing for respondent number 5.
And Mr.
DK Roy.
D.K. Roy, Learned Standing Council, Seba, appears for the respondent number 5. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 7 to 14 by registered post AD within 1 week from today. Respondents are allowed to file complaints. Respondent for weeks.
Yes, because otherwise private respondents are there. Then on that day, maybe your lordship, if the services are complete, that matter.
But this matter will be tagged with this W.
No, right now,
Let the
Lordship,
notice
lordship,
go first.
lordship, offline.
the next day.
19.
May it please your lordship. My lord, here in this case on 13/12/2022, an advertisement was issued for filling up of 42 vacant posts of Anganabadi worker and 42 vacant posts of Anganabadi helper in the district of Hojai. And on 2 occasions, my lord, interview was called for, but on both the occasions, without any reason, the interview has been cancelled. And kindly see page 50, my lord. It is clear from page 50 why in first occasion it has been cancelled. Then on second occasion, there is no reason. With page 50, my lord, annexure 15. Inform you that as per letter, I had published an advertisement for 42 so and so, so and so. After that, I had arranged the interview on 12 September 23 as per guideline and procedural. But sir, you have halted the interview on 11 September 23 as per by letter number so and so. In this context, I would like to inform you that 3 numbers of AWS so and so are controversial. Regarding the survey area, from that day, the said interview is halting to till date. But sir, it is very hard problem for me to run the AWCS without so and so. So I request you kindly to hold the interview for this vacant
Then-
post. Then on next page, interview was called for on 20/12/2023, page 51. And when this interview was called for, immediately on that day, on the basis of WhatsApp message from the respondent number 2 at page 54, the interview again cancelled. Page 54. On the basis of this message, page 54. Inform you that postponement the interview for the time being. And I petitioner, 3 numbers of petitioners are for the post of Anganabadi worker and 1 is for helper. they have applied, they are waiting for only for interview. But without any reason, one after another, the interview is cancelling by the department. Against that, I have approached before your authorities.
On what grounds?
On the ground that there is no reason has been shown why this interview was cancelled. And it is my legitimate expectation that I would
So
appear.
they may have the interview tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you never know.
But with the I do not know. Without any reason, they are cancelling.
Supposing they have the
Twice.
interview without informing you, you have a cause of
No,
action.
no, information was published. In both the occasion,
That's why I'm
information,
saying, in
yes.
both the occasions,
information was published. And
For
both the occasion,
for the next occasion, they're going to give you the information. After that, you appear for the interview.
my lord,
Where's your course of action today?
my lord, only my problem is that I'm making a statement that they are going to fill up this post without making any interview from the outsider.
Where's that?
That
where's
statement I
No,
have
no,
given.
that statement may be there, but where's the proof? How do you know that?
It is
On what basis have you made that statement?
because this post are vacant for last a few years and they are unable.
Maybe it is vacant for a few hours, but how do you make a statement that they are going to fill it up from
Yes,
outside?
that statement I have given.
That statement is there, but
Yes.
on what basis have you made that statement?
On the basis that they are unable to run these centers. So they are going to fill up this post.
Premature application.
My lord, it only my only prayer is that it is my legitimate expectation that I should appear in the interview board. They conduct the interview.
They will have the interview. This
No,
is
there is-
postponed for the time being.
No, but the only kindly see the last page. Last page, kindly see. As per instruction of the Director Women Development, the interview for the post of Anganwadi worker and Anganwadi helper, which is held to be so and so, will remain closed temporarily. So only my expectation that let them take instruction whether this interview will be held or this process has been cancelled. I do not know. Let them take instruction, some instruction that
On
whether.
what basis should I ask them to take instructions? Where's your course of action here today?
My lord, without any reason, they are cancelling this. This is my case.
There will be some reasons.
No reason. That is why I am showing, my lord, page 54.
Whatever it is.
There is no reason.
There
In
may be-
earlier occasion, they said that in three center, there is a controversial of the area. Without excluding that three, next time interview was called for. But this time, I am not fall under that three centers.
No. You give me a good reason why I should instruct the government advocate to take instructions.
My lord, why only let them
Yes.
take instruction? Why this
The call- as you
cancellation
also
has been
said,
made?
If someone is appointed, then they can come and say that, okay, this interview was supposed to be happening.
After
And then
appointment, what will remain?
someone has some.
After appointment, nothing will remain.
If
Why
that
not?
is their apprehension, your lordship, that's the issue.
You're coming on apprehension that they're planning to appoint somebody from outside.
Yes.
I want to know,
One
I
of the
know the
ground.
reason why. From where have you got that information?
And another reason
No,
is
no,
that,
that is the only ground you have approached this court.
yes, and another
From
reason,
where have you got that
no,
information?
another reason why they have cancelled without any reason, they have cancelled twice. Cancellation of the interview.
No.
Let them take instruction why they have cancelled it, nothing else. Why they have cancelled it.
So give me the reasons that I'm asking you.
Yes.
On what information have you made that statement in the writ petition?
My lord, my statement,
That they are going to appoint somebody from outside. Where is your information?
my lord,
That is the ground you've challenged this, that you have come before this court.
one of the ground that they are going to fill up from the outsider by transferring other persons from other center. Number one. Number two ground is the cancellation which has been made without any reason. The cancellation of interview, which was
First ground, give me the information. Then we'll go to the next round.
My lord, basic ground is this cancellation of the interview, my lord, without any reason.
Yeah.
Basic ground.
We'll take up at 2 o'clock. You get information. At 2 p.m.
Much.
21.
May it please your lordship.
Mm.
The petitioner is before this honorable court praying for considering his promotion to the post of exhibition officer in the office of the Director of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department. The petitioner is presently working as senior assistant in the office. As per order dated 1/1/2014, the petitioner has been promoted to the post of senior assistant, annexure 3, page 32. Lordship, what happened thereafter, the petitioner has been allowed to take over charge as in charge exhibition officer as per order dated 35/2016. Lordship may kindly peruse annexure 4, page 33. Page 33, Lordship.
Yes.
Now, in the year 2017, as per annexure 6, page 36 to 38, the Director of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department sent a proposal to the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam Animal Husbandry Department to fill up the vacant post of the exhibition officer, which is a promotional post, which is vacant since the year 2006 after the retirement of the erstwhile incumbent Sri Parag Bora. Now, preferring the name of or suggesting the name of the petitioner, being enough qualified in the veterinary science, being the master degree holder, and in the graduation level also, he has studied veterinary extension activities. The required qualification is only graduate. As per, there's a justification annexed at page 37. May kindly peruse your lordship. The director's statement, your lordship.
Yes.
It is stated, paragraph 3, it is stated that Sri Parag Bora was a BA degree holder and initially joined the department as a translator Assamese. His service was subsequently upgraded as exhibition officer on the basis of the qualification and the fact that he had gained experience in that field. Now, suggestion was that, Dr. Girinder Mishra, this is the petitioner, he being the in charge exhibition officer, has gained experience more than 7 years, lordship, and moreover, having enough qualification in the field to exercise his service as exhibition officer. Thereafter, lordship, some official communication took place. Ultimately, your lordship may kindly peruse annexure 12, your lordship. And meeting was held on 22/8/2019 in the Assam Secretariat in presence of the erstwhile Honorable Minister, where the proposal has been taken for consideration. Your lordship may kindly peruse point number 8, your lordship, page 44. Annexure 12. In the information cell, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, 2 proposals submitted by the director. So regarding filling up of the vacant post of exhibition officer by promoting Dr. Girinder Mishra and thereafter other 2 persons, your lordship. So these 2 persons, rest of the 2 persons, the post of translator Assamese and the post of operator, these 2 persons has already been promoted subsequently, lordship. Now, thereafter, some other communications also held. Then one result come out that is letter dated 25/2020, annexure 14, page 47. Your lordship may kindly peruse. Only issue is that as there is no service rule, since there is no service rule order to govern the matter for recruitment to the post of exhibition officer, personal B department have no views to offer, as the director so-and-so is requested to take action appropriately.
So in that regard, there is a statement made by the director in annexure 13, page 46. Your lordship may kindly peruse para 4. Annexure 13, page 46. Your lordship. Para 4, as there is no specific service rule, justification is not expressly provided for the post of so and so. However, as per precedent set by Sri Porag Bora BA, only graduate were promoted to the post of so and so, so and so, so and so. So, lordship, the only requirement as per the petitioner submission is that he is enough qualified and has been in charge since the year 2016. After he has been given the charge as per order dated 1/6/2016. So, lordship, subsequent to that, he has submitted one representation also. So this is my case, your lordship, to consider for a direction that the petitioner's promotion to be considered as exhibition officer based on.
Yes,
Notice maybe it should notify, have no instruction yet.
you want notice to be,
That's
or
one-
you want to take instructions? But MS,
As tasked
M-
by your
as Das Gupta, then it comes to the petition, which you notice. MS
Kutuki,
Kotoki, then the Standing Council, Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department appears for respondents. 1,
1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
7, 8. 3, Finance, Mr. P. Nayak, then the Standing Council, Finance appears for respondent number 3. Notice on receipt.
lordship,
Over extra copies. So respondents are to file counter, list up to 4 weeks. Pendency of this petition shall not be above for the respondents to consider.
there is
the
an
case.
interim prayer, your lordship. There is an interim prayer at page 25, your lordship.
What is this?
Pending disposal of the rule issued, may kindly direct to provide payment of higher post in compliance of.
Like I will.
That one will
That's
be,
not-
let him,
Not the respondent number 1 should be the principal secretary or the commissioner secretary. It should be the principal secretary.
My interim prayer may be considered on the next date. Okay.
prayer for interim, okay, cancel the other part. Prayer for interim shall be considered on the next returnable date. You check out this address of the respond number 1,
Respondent number 1.
Okay, your lordship. I will correct.
otherwise you may have to amend the cost title.
Yeah. Much obliged.
22,
Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the day. My senior is out of station.
Who's your senior?
D. Sharma.
On request made on behalf of the Sharma and the council for the petition, at least after 1 week.
23,
Made with the lordship. In this case, the petitioner appeared in a combined competitive exam held by the Sub-Selection Commission for recruitment to the post of constable under the armed forces lordship. He appeared in the written examination, then his physical examination was taken also, and then finally medical examination. In all the exams, he qualified. But what when before the medical examination was taken, he sustained some burn injury in his thumb, for which when the biometrics were obtained during the medical examination, his thumb was not matched. Accordingly, he was asked to sign in a 70 pages form to place it before the forensic laboratories to compare whether this is the same person lordship. So ultimately, the result was declared on 7/11/2022. This is page 56. Lordship, after the result was declared, his name was published in a withheld list, lordship. There are some candidates whose name were published, and accordingly his name was published in the withheld list. He thereafter made RTA application before the forensic laboratory, forensic science laboratory, where he was replied, which you may kindly see page 62. Reply of the forensic science laboratory.
Yes.
Query text of RTA first table. Comments of FAA. The case for handwriting examination was received on 17/3/2023 and reported on 14/8/2023.
This report said that they were asking for the original combined computer-based exams card that was not provided to the FSR. Lordship may kindly come to page 65, paragraph number 1. It is written by the Deputy Commandant, Service Officer 2 to the Regional Recruitment Center, RRC, CRPF 430. It is at Karbi Anglong District. Para 1, please refer CFSL Guwahati report number so-and-so dated 14 September 2023. This is a report. Then number 2, it is intimated that as per CFSL Guwahati letter under reference, original copy of the CBE e-admit card in the RO in reference of roll number so-and-so, Mr. Jivendra Kumar, is required for verification for genuineness from your regional recruitment center and staff selection commission. In view of the above, you are requested to forward the original copy of the CBE admit card to registered post to undersigned address at the earliest. An early action is requested, please. Then, Lordship may kindly see page 66. Para 1. Please refer to this force letter dated so-and-so dated 10 October 2023, the earlier letter. Lordship. And GC CRPF authority letter number so-and-so dated 11 October. CBE original admit card in respect of roll number so-and-so Jivendra Kumar required to resubmit to CFSL Guwahati for its genuineness. Same not received by this force till date. Case also dealing for finalization of result. You are requested to forward the same at the earliest. Then Lordship may come to page 67. A reminder letter, Lordship. Please reference. Yes, Lordship. So, Lordship, after that, I filed RTA. I was given the information. Thereafter, on 31/10/2023, some similarly placed candidates whose names are also withheld have been given provisional appointment, Lordship. So, but since Lordship, the result was declared on 7/11/2022. Till date, the regional is respondent number 6 and 7. RRC GC Guwahati has not forwarded my e-admit card, for which I have not, the matter could not be cleared by the forensic laboratory. So my prayer is that the respondent officers may be given some time to clear this and consider my case if I am eligible for appointment, Lordship.
Yeah, Devi.
Because it is the lapse on the part of the.
I will take instruction.
It is the lapse on the part of the Deputy Inspector General.
Mr. R. Sharma,
yes.
yes. Counsel for the petition, MSR Devil, understanding CGC shall take instructions in the matter. List on 13th. 13th March.
Can it be 13 is not available. 11th or 12th. 13 I have some engagement.
15th.
Yes.
24.
Maybe on 20 loss. I have some difficulty on 15 loss.
Huh?
24? 20.
20.
Yes, Lord.
20. Okay.
Oblige.
May I please your lordship? My lord, the petitioner was initially appointed, my lord, on compassionate ground, my lord, following the premature death of her father. My lord, what has happened, my lord? The petitioner was suffering from some, my lord, gynecological diseases as well as some other diseases prior to her engagement. And in the, my lord, what the department has done, the department, without considering her, my lord, medical condition, appointed the petitioner to a post of AB constable, my lord. My lord may be pleased to find my appointment order, my lord, is at page, my lord, 40 annexure 2, my lord.
Oh.
So, my lord, having declared medically fit on receiving favorable police verification report, you are appointed as constable AB temporarily with effect from so and so grade pay and other alliances. So, pursuant to this appointment, my lord, I did join because there is no option left, my lord, for this to save my job, my lord. I did join on my lord 14th of February 2019 at page 41. Thereafter, my lord, there is a procedure there, my lord, that the such an abbey constable is required to undergo a rigorous police training, my lord, and I was sent to the Dergaon Police Training Center. And in that police training center, my lord, I again seriously fell ill, my lord, and which become fatal, for which, my lord, I could not continue the training, and as a result, my lord, I have to abandon the training and came back. Now, my lord, what has happened? My lord, may kindly turn to page 52, annexure 8, my lord. My lord, this is a representation I have made before the Director General of Police for application for adjustment of service in any civil post due to the ill health. So, my lord, most respectfully beg to state that I am a RTS undergoing training from Dergaon. I have been undergoing training since 13/4/2019. But due to operation done in my stomach, I failed to continue my training. Therefore, I had returned to Nalbari Police Headquarters on 26/6/2019. Therefore, it is prayed before your council to adjust my posting in any civil post. Because my father died while undergoing training in Dergaon, I have a mother and sister in-house. In absence of my father and the family, I find it difficult to manage day-to-day expenses. Therefore, your council may be kindly adjust my service from the post of AV constable to any civil post. So, my lord, this representation had been duly acknowledged at page 53. My lord, may kindly be verified that it has been acknowledged by the Director General of Police Office also, my lord. And what has happened, my lord? Suddenly, thereafter, my lord, at page 54, annexure 9, an impugn order had been issued, my lord. WPC AB RC 425 Shehnaz so-and-so, daughter of late so-and-so of village so-and-so of this DEF is discharged from service with effect from 31/12/2019 on her own request on submission of resignation letter to discharging her from service as she is physically and mentally unable to go on basic training. Now, my lord, although it has been said that on my voluntary resignation, my lord, it was actually not the case. I have been compelled, my lord, to tender such a resignation, my lord.
Anyway, you made a resignation.
I made a letter. Now, my lord, that another thing come up, my lord. This order, my lord, I have put into challenge before this honorable court, my lord. And this honorable court, my lord, in a very detailed and categorical examination of the record, my lord, may be pleased to find the operative part start at page 56, my lord. My lord, a little bit of order, my lord, which is relevant, may I be permitted to read over, my lord, from paragraph 2, my lord. The father of the petitioner, Taizuddin Ahmed, who was a constable under the Superintendent of Police, Nalbari, died in harness on 21/12/2015. On his death, the petitioner, as per the recommendation of the district level committee of Nalbari district in its meeting of 24/6/2016, and as approved by the state level committee in its meeting dated 18/6/2018, was recommended for appointment as constable. After being selected for appointment, the petitioner developed an adverse medical condition due to an old ruptured luteal cyst with appendicitis, for which she was required to undergo surgery at the Global Hospital of Surgery and Institute of Endolaparoscopy at Guwahati. A medical discharge certificate of the hospital concerned is available at annexure 1 of the writ petition. Upon being declared fit after the medical surgery, the order of appointment dated 14/2/2019 was issued in favor of the petitioner. But as the petitioner was appointed as an abbey constable, she was required to undergo the required police training at the Police Training Institute at Dergaon. But because of her earlier adverse medical condition, the petitioner made an application dated 2011/2019 to the Director General of Police, requesting that she may be posted at any other post within the police force, which may not require the petitioner to undergo such rigorous police training course. As nothing was done, the petitioner was compelled to make a request to the Superintendent of Police, Nalbari, that she be discharged from service as she was physically and mentally unable to carry on with the police training course. The Superintendent of Police accordingly, by the order dated 2/1/2020, discharged the petitioner. A judicial notice can be taken that in the Assam Police, there may be many such posts which do not require a rigorous police training. if the petitioner was actually in an adverse medical condition, appointing her as an abbey constable and requiring her to undergo a rigorous police training, which she is physically unable to bear, cannot be understood to have been a compassionate appointment made to the petitioner by the police authorities. If the respondents were required to make a compassionate appointment, there ought to have been further compassion to also evaluate the petitioner as to for what kind of post would have been suitable for her considering her adverse medical condition. Strong reliance is made on the order dated 0-1-2020 of the Superintendent of Police, Nolbury, that the petitioner had been discharged from service upon having resigned as she was physically and mentally unable to bear the rigorous police training. The said approach of the Superintendent of Police appears to be without compassion and without any reasonable application of mind to examine the actual physical and medical condition that the petitioner was in, rather than taking a perfunctory view that if she cannot undergo the police training, she may leave the force. As posts are available within the Assam Police, which may not require a rigorous police training, we are of the view that it was also a requirement on the part of the Superintendent of Police to consider as to whether the petitioner can be adjusted against any such post rather than taking a harsh view that if she is unable to bear any police training, she may leave the force and accordingly having discharged her. Although the word resignation letter is used, such resignation letter is also to be understood to be given by the petitioner in the circumstances which she was in, rather than it being a voluntary resignation from service. Accordingly, as the earlier representation of the petitioner dated 2011-2019 was made to the Director General of Police Assam, we require the Director General of Police to look into the aspect and pass a reason order taking a more sympathetic and compassionate view on the circumstances for which the such representation was made by the petitioner. The Director General of Police may subject the petitioner to a medical examination to find out as to whether the statement in the representation dated 2011-2019 that she is unable to undergo any rigorous police training is factually correct or not. If the petitioner is found to be in medical condition where she is unable to undergo any rigorous police training, the Director General of Police may take a more appropriate view on the matter and pass a reason order thereon. The reason order be passed within a period of 1 month from the date of a receipt of a certified copy of this order. Any reason order that may be passed by the Director General of Police shall supersede the earlier order dated 1-1-2020 of the Superintendent of Police, Nolbury. The writ petition is disposed of as indicated above. Now, my lord, this order had been submitted at page 59, annexure 11, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, it is page 59, annexure 11, my lord. The same order, again being annexed as a part of the record, my lord. Then, my lord, at page 64, annexure 12, is an order passed, my lord, pursuant to the direction passed by this honorable court. In pursuance of the order received from the Assam Police Headquarters, Ulubari, Guwahati, Bhait IGP A Assam Guwahati's memo number dated so-and-so Guwahati 6th of May, Sehnas Sultana, to reinstate in service with effect from 15/5/2023 AM. The candidate so-and-so will undergo, my lord, may kindly note, the candidate so-and-so will undergo the basic training once she is medically fit for physical activities. My lord, on the date of my reinstatement also, my lord, they have found that I am not physically fit. But even then, my lord, they have again taken a coercive view that I should go for the, my lord, that the rigorous police training course. Now, my lord, what has happened? Even then, the candidate also have to pass the mandatory examination at the end of the training for confirmation of service. My lord, the things remain the same. Although there is a judicial note has been given. Now, my lord, I as a law-abiding citizen, I obey and try to follow the, my lord, direction of the authorities. But, my lord, my health give up again, my lord, because in the meantime, I was married. And, my lord, a child has also been, my lord, given birth, which is now around 3 years old, my lord, that baby, my lord. So, my health condition is not at that fit to go for the rigorous police training course. Now, my lord, then again, I made representations after representation before the authorities, my lord. My casual leave has also been granted. But finally, my lord may be pleased to find an order had been issued by the commandant. So,
82.
Yes, yes. My lord, may I kindly turn to page number 82, my lord, annexure 20. This is an order, my lord. The Sahna Sultana of Nalbari DEF trainee in the 119 batch of the recruit basic training at 23rd AP Battalion, Siloni, Karbi Anglong, was granted 7 days casual leave on health ground. She had been availing the leave with effect from so-and-so at PM. Her leave period ends on 27/9/2023 AM, but she did not join at this unit headquarters yet. Thus, she has been absent from the training on health ground for more than 42 days continuously with effect from 16/9/2023. Under these circumstances, she is liable for discharge from training as per point number 13B of the joining instruction for the newly recruited constable for their basic training as communicated from the office of the ADGP TAP Assam, void memo number so-and-so. Hence, W so-and-so of Nalbari DEF is hereby discharged from training in the 119 batch of AB recruit constable basic training at 23rd AP Battalion, Siloni, Karbi Anglong, with immediate effect. After necessary clearance, she shall be sent back to her parent DEF Nalbari with full government kits to report before the Superintendent of Police Nalbari for further necessary action. My lord, accordingly, I have reported to my lord, the Superintendent of Police Nalbari, and at present, my lord, I have been engaged in some civil post at the Nalbari Superintendent of Police establishment, and I am continuing therein. Now, my lord, in this case, my respectful submission before my lordship is that as there is already a judicial note is there, my lord, observation is there from this honorable court, the manner in which, my lord, my initial termination was there was not at all, my lord, within the meaning and purview of compassionate appointment. So therefore, my lord, there is a direction from this honorable court to the Director General of Police to pass a reason order. Till date, my lord, that reason order has not yet been, my lord, come into my notice or no copies had been served upon me. And even then, my lord, I am grateful to the department, my lord, that I have been reinstated in service. But my lord, the situation remains the same. Now I am again apprehending, my lord, that another order may come. They may send again direction for the going for the, my lord, basic training.
Presently, you are where?
Presently, I am at Nalbari, Superintendent of Police, my lord, working therein as a clerical job, my lord. So they can convert me, my lord, from
have already,
my lord.
So no, that thing has not happened, isn't it, Buyan?
My lord.
That thing has not happened.
No,
You're still holding the civil post.
No, I am still holding the AB constable post, my lord.
Whatever it is,
Yes,
but
yes.
then you are in the clerical.
I am in a clerical post, but not in an official manner. My lord, transformation is not there. It is just a temporary arrangement they have made, my lord. So, my lord, that temporary can be made final in view of the judgment of this honorable court, my lord. Or my lord may issue notice at this moment, my lord, let the department reply. And only interim, my lord, I am asking for, my lord, that at this moment I may not be compelled to go for the training again, my lord, till adjudication of the matter by my lordships, my lord.
Or it is depend upon the her health, my lord. It is subject to, my lord, condition of the health. He cannot say, my lord. We cannot say. Now, as per order of the honorable court, they have taken a more sympathy. Compassionate appointment is not like that. Compassionate appointment actually immediate read over the financial crisis. However, she has been appointed as a constable. Okay, she cannot go to the training. That has to be considered as per order of the honorable court. Now she has been placed in the civil matter. Civil duty is on a civil nature. So what happened, Malot, can be moved, Malot. She is again, Malot, fit for medically fit. Then she may be sent for, because police, every constable, police must have to have the, Malot, training.
Who is that order reinstating you?
My lord, the order, my lord, may be pleased to find is that page, my lord.
82.
No, reinstatement. We mark for
They have done it.
My lord, is at page 12, page 64, annexure 12, my lord.
15 May 2023.
Maybe this is the order that has been passed by the DGB.
My lord, the DJP order has not, my lord, we have not received any speaking order, my lord, to the,
6 May 2023.
my lord, 6th May 2023, there may be an order. From, not from the DJP, my lord, it is from the IGP administration, my lord.
So he must,
He may delegate it to the IGP also, my lord. My lord.
Administration. IGP administration is the emperor. By DGP to pass.
But
it.
okay, but yeah,
Fine.
Brian, then counsel for petition issue notice. Mr. TC Chutil and additional thing of
All the rest.
experience and disappearance and accepts notice and the above.
All the rest.
All the responses. Accordingly, notice on respondents with our extra copies. Respondents are not to file affidavit. List after 4 weeks.
My lord, till the returnable date, my lord, I may, my lord.
No, my lord, it order, my lord.
Constitute on the next week.
My lord, they may again send me to the
No, no,
training.
my lord,
which may
he-
be- my lord,
he
my-
is
my-
definitely
my lord, there is, my lord, I am not.
Filing of this,
But they-
filing of this street petition
My lord,
may trigger something for you. You
My lord.
should have kept quiet.
Because she has.
my lord, if I am succumb to my
No,
my
no,
lord
no.
illness at
No
the
interest.
training, my lord, can they compensate?
Now she is comfortably
Till the next-
working.
My
till the next reasonable
My
date,
lord.
status quo is on today.
My lord. Highly obliged.
This petitioner, my lord, she is working since 1994. 2004, she has been regularized. Now I have shown my lord in personnel post. If one is, one of the division bench judgment is there, if personnel post, my lord, one cannot be promoted. And, but there can be prayer for encadrement. That paragraph, I'll show it from the division bench judgment, paragraph 12. And now in this petition, I have shown my lord, Annexure 5, your lordship may kindly see, page 27. These are all persons from PHE, my lord. They are working where in personal post, they have been promoted. That judgment, your lordship will kindly see paragraph 12. There can be a prayer for encadrement. Paragraph 12. We have seen the, may I read, madam? We have seen the reasons recorded by the learned judge for the impugned verdict and find that the post against which the writ petitioners were regularized were never added to the notified cadre in the department. Yet no plea was advanced for the encadrement of the post held by the affected parties. The promotion in the department can be considered only from the eligible employees in the feeder cadre, and the writ petitioner being outside the cadre cannot have any enforceable right to claim promotion, particularly when the regularization order itself stipulates that they are regularized in the post personal to them. So there is no bar for praying for encadrement of the petitioners. Now your lordship will kindly see page 27. Page 27. This Annexure 5.
Yes.
These are persons, my lord, who were working in personal post, but they were promoted. This was done in the year 22.
To other department.
Other department, PHE department, and Annexure 6, your lordship will kindly see, same, my lord, this is in respect of inland water, the same, where the respondents are working. They were also promoted. They were all working in personal post. Annexure 7, total, my lord, I have shown 49 persons, my lord, who were working in Annexure 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. My lord, total I have shown from the PHE department and inland water department. My lord, they were working in personnel post and they have been promoted. So what I pray before this court, my lord, I have filed a representation praying for encadrement, petitioner's encadrement, and also, my lord, in that to consider my promotions in the light of the, my lord, promotions given to the personnel post holder in PHE department and inland water department. Annexure 5 to Annexure 9. So they should consider my representation
for encadrement for the purpose of my promotion. Your lordship, kindly see my lord, page 26. 26. I came before this honorable court. Honorable court said, my lord, you considered the matter, but they said you are working in a personal post. So
Page
therefore,
26.
page 26. In view of, with reference to your notice dated so and so on the subject cited above, I would like to submit here with a copy of the judgment and order dated so and so, wherein mentioned at point 11 that ex-cadre incumbents holding posts on personal basis found to be untenable for promotion. So this is what they say. But the judgment says, Mandal, I can always pray for encadrement. So I have prayed for encadrement and also to consider my promotion in the light of the promotion made to the others, Mandal, as I have shown at annexure 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. 49 persons have been promoted.
As this
So-
is, I'm praying for notice, my lord. I will file my affidavit, my lord.
Mandal, let my representation be considered.
I will file
And your
affidavit.
lordship may-
May issue a short notice, my lord. I will file affidavit because the division bench order is there, my lord. Delete
I've shown the division bench
Lordship, I will
order.
file my affidavit.
You want to file your affidavit?
My lord.
Mandal, I'm praying for consideration of my
Senior
representation.
counsel is praying for
Consideration by
disposal
How can she have
to
objection? I don't
consider the
understand.
representation.
Lordship, I will get instruction and file my affidavit
Okay.
because
But,
honorable division bench
It
order is very
does,
clear, my lord.
Then a senior counsel assisted by Mr. S. Bora, then a Bora petitioner, issue notice. MS
MD Bora,
MD Bora Leonard, standing counsel.
Lordship, IWT for all the respondents.
Deputy disappearance and accepts notice on behalf of all the respondents.
Lordship.
Accordingly, notice and respondents are complete. Our extra copies you furnish, respondents are allowed to file counter. List after
3 weeks, my lord.
No, not 3 weeks, my lord. He has been working for a very long time. This is her second petition. I don't understand why the consideration of the representation is being objected
Anyway,
to.
since she wants to file
See,
an
but-
affidavit.
No,
let
that's
her
all
file.
right, my lord.
Because the
Let it,
honorable
let it be,
division.
let it be after 2 weeks, ma'am. Let it be
After
after
3
2
weeks,
weeks. It
Lordship,
can be
after
disposed
3
of.
weeks, I will file my affidavit.
I am
In the
praying
meantime,
for-
I can file my affidavit. Lordship, may
Oh,
put them at after
After
3 weeks.
3 weeks.
I'm deeply obliged.
Okay. 5 minutes.
Lordship.
Finance would be a necessary party. Commissioner of Finance, so respondent number 5, your lordship may allow me. Commissioner and Secretary of Finance would be added as respondent number 5. They are the main person.
That I can't. Now that notification has come, you'll have to file an amicus post title.
Not notification, my lord. Your lordship may direct, my lord.
I cannot.
I have filed the sir. I have filed the notice.
Now you have to file an IF for amendment of the cost title.
No, but in the since that order has not been, I leave it to your lordship. Since the order has not been typed, your lordship may
No.
adding.
There's a notification already there that for any change, you'll have to file an IF.
Sorry, I did not see that.
Lordship, may kindly observe, I have submitted finance as a necessary party. Without finance, we cannot do anything.
MSMD Bora, Leonard, standing counsel arguability submits that the finance department Assam is a necessary party. So Mr. BD Das, the state council submits that needful will be done in due course.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
26. May I please, your lordship? Here, your lordship, petitioner is agreed by an order, your lordship, by which his degree he has obtained, your lordship, has not been, virtually, your lordship, not been considered by the authorities, your lordship. Page 38, your lordship. By referring to certain judgments of the Honorable Apex Court, your lordship, this has been done, your lordship. Last page. Now, there are two apprehensions, your lordship, so far as petitioner is concerned. While doing so, your lordship, no hearing was done, your lordship, giving me an opportunity to place my case, your lordship. And secondly, your lordship, after passing of that judgment of the Honorable Apex Court, they have take cognizance of my degree, gave me a promotion, your lordship, and everything, service benefit has been given, your lordship. Now, if your lordship, they take a unilateral decision in this regard, your lordship, what will happen to my past, your lordship, promotions, etc., your lordship, service benefits I have received, your lordship, since then. That has not been, your lordship, considered at all, your lordship. I am apprehensive of all these, your lordship. Therefore, before this honorable court, your lordship. Now, at this stage, your lordship, no interim prayer is there, your lordship. Only your lordship, if can issue a notice and they come up with an affidavit, your lordship. Yes.
Even if you pray for an interim.
Lordship, I
this court
can't
cannot
get.
pass it.
Lordship. Only an notice, your lordship, so that I can have.
But Mr. SP, S protocol and the council. Issue notice. Pollution control,
I appear as Boro.
S Bora,
Borua.
Barua, then a standing council. Pollution control Assam appears for the response, appears on behalf of all.
Already, responded.
According notice and response are complete, respondents are allowed to file counter. List after 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged. Your lordship.
27.
May I please, your lordship?
Mm.
Well, this matter is relating to suspension. My lord, petitioner was suspended, lordship, on 7/11/2023 on the strength of arrest, lordship. Subsequently, lordship, he released on bail and filed a representation. After getting the representation, lordship, they issue the imprint order. That is, your lordship will find as page 26. Further continuation of the suspension of lordship. 26. In continuation of the office order, that is also suspension of Sri Punima Gogoi, land record assistant, Demo Revenue Circle is hereby continued till completion of departmental proceeding initiated against her for 3 months, whichever is earlier. But without assigning any reason or any justification as to why the petitioner is to be lordship continued in suspension. My lord, the idea behind the lordship suspension, your lordship is aware that section lordship 6, rule 6(2) of the Assam Services lordship disciplinary repeat rule. There should be a justifiable ground that further lordship suspension will require. There is no explanation in the order or any assigning without any reason. They have continued the lordship with the suspension, further suspension.
Yes.
Oh, my lord, this order, Rector 7, page 26, there is no wrong at all, my lord. Within 3 months, my lord, that has been extended and order is clear. The so-and-so order, continuation of our suspension order 7 November 2023, the suspension of so-and-so cycle is hereby continued till completion of departmental proceeding initiated against her or 3 months, which was earlier. So what is wrong, my lord?
My lord,
Within 3 months, they will complete it.
my ground is that there is no reason lordship
No,
in
no,
the
suspension
appeal
order.
order.
We'll see whether they have recorded reasons. That's all.
My lord,
We'll see whether they've recorded reasons while
Yes.
extending your
there is
suspension.
no reason recorded in the order itself. Lordship, let them obtain a short instruction and your lordship may dispose of the motion issue because this order is only for.
But M. Khan, Learner Counsel for the petition. Mr. T.C. Tudel and additional senior government advocate shall receive instructions. List on,
I am for 283, my lord.
Yeah. list on.
List on, my lord, after 2 weeks.
No, lordship, already lordship,
No, I will have to, what suspension matter, what does it say?
1 week lordship,
No, no.
short
One is-
instruction.
Today, Friday, my lord. Saturday and Sunday is a holiday.
18th March.
18 March. So he will provide a copy, my lord, to obtain instruction.
Yeah.
I-
we'll furnish it.
28.
Well, at item number 28, this is the compassionate matter lordship. My claim has been rejected, that is your lordship will find as page 30,
March.
Page,
30 lordship. And this is the minutes of dated 24/6/2016. Although this DLC meeting was held on so and so lordship. But neither any information nor this rejection lordship was communicated to the petitioner. First of all, lordship, your lordship will kindly see the first table of page 30. That is serial number 2, lordship, grade 4.
Lordship, I am for grade 4, seeking you for appointment under, in grade 4, Lordship. Here, your Lordship will find total cadre strength, your Lordship will get 96. Got it, your Lordship. In first table of page 30. And man in position, 84 numbers. And 5% of cadre strength, that will be Lordship number of,
So there's still one vacancy.
my lord. Is still one vacancy, but they are saying that because of not having a Lordship vacancy is
What is the ground for your
page Lordship 31. This
serial
is
number?
5 Lordship. The proposal discussed, it is seen that 5% of the total cadre strength men in position for appointment on competition ground does not allow to consider the application. Further, the date of application, submission of application has already been completed 2 years, and proposal lost its force as per government OM number so and so in the principle number 10.
2000 minus 16 minus, why are coming now?
Well, that is the reason, Lordship. This neither the authority Lordship has communicated this decision, nor Lordship this minutes, and only Lordship
You're not trying to take any instructions. You're not trying to help yourselves.
my lord,
Legal pursuit matter.
my lord, I approached repeatedly before.
Where's the approach?
My lord, I have made a statement, Lordship.
Maybe statement is there, but where are the documents to show that you have been reminding them?
Only after Lordship, RTI Lordship, this document has been provided, that is page 32 Lordship. We got this documents Lordship on 16 to 2014 through this letter, 2024 letter. But it is their duty, Lordship.
This is also not done by you.
No, yes, Lordship, through.
Commandant,
Yes, Lordship, through my, through engaged counsel, I myself, Lordship, has filed the application, Lordship. That is in the first paragraph, your Lordship will find. I have the honor to.
You take and say whether this copy was served to him.
Yes,
That's all. If it was served, then the matter ends there.
yes, Lordship.
M. Khan and counsel for the petitioner, Mr. Thesis Patel, and additional senior government executive shall take instructions whether when the minutes of the PLC, which held this meeting on 24/6/2016, when the minutes of the DLC Nalbari, which held this meeting on 24/6/16 was communicated to the petition. Please note.
after 3 weeks, my lord. See, normally, my lord, there is no provision for communicating any minutes to the
There is a.
There is Fusion Khan's case.
RTI.
Please the matter on 20 March.
20 months.
29.
Your Lordships. My lord, matter pertains to my lord, appointment of Gabura, my lord. Here, my lord, petitioner was selected, my lord, as Gabura of my lord, village number 4, Gurbanda in the Noga district, my lord. Now, my lord, what happened, my lord, in the meantime, one unsuccessful candidate had FPA, sport, my lord, challenging his selection, my lord. Selection kindly see, my lord, his name is appeared, page 16, my lord.
Dates?
16, 16, my lord. And is a B, my lord, serial number 19, my lord. This is the minute, my lord. Now, my lord, what happened, my lord, in the meantime, thereafter, my lord, one Israel Islam, my lord, had approached before this court, my lord, challenging the selection of the petitioner, my lord, on the ground that his name appeared in a charge sheet, my lord. My lord, now, subsequently, my lord, that case has been withdrawn by the petitioner himself, my lord, and he was acquitted in this from the charge also, my lord. Page, my lord, 19, my lord. And page 20, middle part, my lord, is the relevant portion, my lord. Third paragraph, accused are hereby acquitted from the instant case and set at liberty forthwith, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, petitioner submitted application, my lord, page 21, my lord. With due respect, I beg to state that on last 99 to 2010, the interview was held for selection of Gabura, where I was selected Gabura, although 1 year has already passed, I have not got appointment letter.
Yes,
I don't know.
No, sir. Otherwise, there is some explanation because there was a criminal case against him also and all this, your lordship. Yes. let me get instruction as to why there is a delay from that point onwards also.
But it's how clinic. Mr. C.S. Hazarikal and its government, it shall take instructions as to why the petition has been uploaded as Donbura of,
phone number, Bhurmanda Revenue Village.
of
Lot number 1, 4 number.
lot number 1, is it?
Lot number 1, phone number, Bhurmanda Revenue Village.
Number 4, Burabanda,
Revenue Village under Samaguri Revenue Circle in Nagar.
Revenue Village,
And
despite being selected.
selected.
Stop. Please stop. After 2 weeks,
Not sure. Not sure.
please stop after 2 weeks.
Okay. Date may kindly fix my lord.
18.
My lord. My lord. 40.
May it please your lordship, this matter pertains to rejection of an candidate of the petitioner on compassionate ground that the impugn order is reflected page 29 of my writ petition. My lord, her husband died. Her husband was a constable of an CRPF. She applied for the post of compassionate appointment. And lordship, later on her candidature was rejected on the medical ground. And my contention is that lordship, that I have been declared medically fit by the civil doctor, lordship.
Yes, who applies?
It's just sure appeared for the. Only notice may be issued, lordship.
Notice me, but our Majumdar Lane also for may issue notice. Mr. S.S. Roy.
All the respondents.
No, CGC enters appearance and accepts notice on behalf of all respondents. Accordingly, notice and respondent. However, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file counter.
No problem.
16.
May I please the lordship?
Hmm.
In this case, the petitioner was appointed on leave vacancy in the 1978. He continued service till 1983. And thereafter, there was several representation on the part of the petitioner for regulation of his service during that period of time. And since nothing has happened, that's why the petitioner has approached this honorable court at page number 45. The lordship kindly see the direction of this honorable court. In page number 45, in the last paragraph, it has been mentioned.
Yes.
Page 45, the last paragraph. In this regard, petitioner has annexed certain documents to show that the petitioner had been serving without any interruption since November 1978, which are to be found at Annexure A1 issued by the Superintendent Police by the order dated such and such. Annexure A2 issued by the Superintendent Police Kachar by the order dated such and such, and also Annexure A3 issued by the Deputy General Police Assam by the order dated such and such. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that if the authority considers these documents as also indicated in the record, it will be clear the petitioner has been serving continuously since November 1978. And accordingly, the direction was given to the petitioner to submit representation. The petitioner has submitted the representation, but that has been rejected mechanically, lordship. It is at page number 58, Annexure 18.
1 minute. Yes.
But it has been mechanically rejected at page number 58, Annexure 18, lordship. The operative portion, the last page, 64. And the third paragraph, lordship. Third paragraph. As the petitioner was working against temporary leave vacancies that arose from time to time in the office of the Superintendent Police Kachar, and as there was no continuity in service during the said period in question, as there is no provision in existing rule to count the service rendered against temporary leave vacancies while regularizing the service of a government employee. Therefore, the claim of the petitioner for regulation service by counting the temporary non-continuous service rendered with effect from such and such and such is rejected. But the vital documents which goes to show my continuity in service, that has not been taken into account, lordship. So this is the basic case in this petition. On the last occasion, this honorable court has specified these particular documents which are relevant to demonstrate the fact. I'm just referring to one particular document, Lordship. This is the page number 40, annexure 9.
No, this court directed to verify those.
Verify notice.
Exactly, Lordship, and that has not been properly verified. If your Lordship kindly see the annexure 9, page 40. Page 40.
Please.
Page 40, Lordship, 40.
40.
Yes.
Hmm.
I'm forwarding here with the representation submitted by such and such, who is working as LD assistant in the leave vacancy since November 1978 without any break. And there are several documents which are on record. I've annexed all these.
This you are serving against leave vacancy of
Yeah,
somebody, isn't
Yeah,
it?
exactly, Lordship. Without any
Leave
break.
vacancy.
The continuity of
Yeah.
service is there, Lordship, and they are denying
No,
that there
no,
is.
no, no, leave vacancy is something else.
Yes.
No, Lordship, kindly see the
Yeah,
order
but-
of this honorable court in this particular order to verify. But that aspect of the matter has not been verified by the.
They
by the-
verify.
No, Lordship, it has not been verified in the impugn order. What has been stated is that there is the claim of the regular service. There is not a continuity in service, but the continuity service was there, Lordship. That has not been taken into account. And in
They've made the chart also.
Yeah,
Yes,
they have
yes.
made a chart in that particular chart. The documents which have annexed in the writ petition that has not been taken into account, Lordship, which goes to show the petitioner was continuously serving in the department, Lordship. So this is the arbitrary action on the part of the respondents. At least my learned friend can obtain instructions with regard to that.
Lordship, kindly see page 58. This is a impugned order on 9 March 2021. And last of, but this paragraph, last but one paragraph, my Lordship, kindly see below. Whereas the petitioner submitted photocopies of 2 orders. One was attested by Assistant Engineer PHE Kachar Circle, Silsor, and other one was self-attested. The self-attested one appeared to be doubtful as there was overwriting on dates. Further, the said photocopy of order does not bear any official seal and initial signature of the concerned dealing assistant. Like that, but they have verified it, they found it, it is hard say there is a break. Even though there is no break, my lord, when person is working in a leave vacancy, his service cannot be considered, my lord,
Lordship,
because he is not working as a permanent post.
No, you are challenging in order of 2021
yes, Lordship,
Why? at this stage.
3 years already has gone.
What explanation has you given?
there's a specific explanation with regard to that. But the fact is that since these particular documents have not been taken into account, because the page number 42 is another document is there, annexure 11. There's a specific communication on the part of the Deputy Inspector General Police to the Director General of Police, Inspector General Police. If your lordship kindly see at page 42. The representation submitted by such and such who is working as LD assistant in this office against leave
Why
vacancies.
don't you file a short affidavit
We can file it.
without issuing notice?
No, my lord. Notice. may
What's the
issue.
point of issuing notice in this type of matter?
No, my lord, I will have to obtain instructions, my lord. After getting the instruction, I can file an affidavit, my lord.
You will never get instructions if I issue notice. This is a short matter, actually. There's nothing much to be covered. Just verify whether the orders that were directed by this court were verified. If it is verified, who was it verified? And the rest is in the order itself. These are all leave vacancies. All leave vacancies.
Yes, leave vacancies, my lord. Even leave vacancies, a person
Leave
is.
vacancy is not a continuous
It
service.
cannot be
Exactly,
continuous of
lordship. The
service, my
fact
lord.
is that lordship, the direction of this honorable court, how it has been complied with by this, by the concerned
No, no, no. my lord.
authority. Because
Otherwise-
the relevant documents has not been taken into account. Because if these relevant documents are being taken into account, then this sort of opinion on the formed by the respondent number 5 or respondent number 3 would not have come, lordship. That is the
Even-
arbitrary action on the part of the
Even
respondent.
he is continuing in service, my lord, he leave vacancies, one another leave vacancies, my lord, his service cannot be counted. When he was regularized, then his service will be counted.
Lordship, in the first
From that
round of
point.
first round of
And he will get
litigation,
the pensionary benefit, other service benefit from the date of regulation,
Yes.
not
In the-
prior date.
in the first round of litigation, the affidavit in opposition was filed. In the affidavit in opposition, we have specified in the affidavit in reply also with regard to the fact that the point raised by the respondents with regard to the break-in service is not specific, is not correct. There are certain communications which are not being taken into account by the respondent authority while coming to the conclusion that there was some break-in service. So at best, they can obtain the instruction how these documents have been taken into account, lordship, whether it has been taken at all taken into account or not. Because in view of the specific direction of this
This
honorable court.
page 59 is a chart. This chart details have been mentioned. What is order, what is DO, what is so and so, how many breaks are there. So after verification that has been made, without verification, how they can be
Lordship,
made?
the
Even though
42
Lordship directly, I will definitely I will obtain instruction on the order 9 March 2021, the speaking order. Whether they have verified as per honorable court's order or not. Just must know. I will obtain instruction after 10 days, my lord.
Head SP Chaudhary and the counsel for the petitioner, Mr. TC Chikel and its additional senior governor, which shall receive instructions in the matter. This, the matter again now.
What a copy to it.
15th March.
15 months. He'll provide me extra copy, my lord.
Follow, Lordship. Item 1 of production list for motion. Uma Rani Borgayari.
Lordship, in instant case, the petitioner was appointed, Lordship, by the order dated 31/12/2011 to the post of Assistant Tourism Information Officer. And she has already completed more than 12 years of service. Her next promotion is due to the Tourist Information Officer. Now it is redesignated as Tourist Development Officer, my lord. Lordship, how the promotion is to be made is from the 50% from the direct recruit, my lord, and 50% from the ATIOs who have been working. Lordship, the post of ATIO is a grade 3 post, and the BTC has got the power to give appointment to them because it's a grade 3 post as per memorandum of settlement arrived with the BTC, Government of Assam, and the central government, my lord. The BTC has got the power to give appointment to grade 3 and grade 4 cadre. But the promotion of the petitioner is due to the post of Tourism Information Officer, and that is a grade 2 post. And where is the question arises as regards promotion and appointment of grade 2, the approval of BTC, approval of the APAC is required, your lordship. Lordship, now the respondents have come up with a gradation list wherein the name of the petitioner has been left out. First, they have prepared a draft gradation list against which where there is a move to appoint some other persons, depriving me, my lord. And when my name did not come in the draft gradation list, I prefer to read petition before this honorable court 5568/2022, wherein stay order is operating as on date, my lord, wherein honorable court observed the no promotion to be made to the post of TIO, my lord. During the pendency of the writ petition, they have come up with the affidavit stating that the respondents have, lordship, published the final gradation list. In the final gradation list also, my case was rejected, your lordship. And contention is that since I belong to BTC, it's a separate cadre, your lordship. So my name cannot be included in the state cadre. Lordship, I have Lordship, I have filed affidavit in the debt writ petition. And now they have, in the instant writ petition, they have reiterated their stand that that appointment cannot be, the gradation list in the my name cannot appear, your lordship, in the gradation list prepared by the state of Assam, since the manner of appointment of me is because authority is BTC, and manner of appointment is different. Lordship, in my writ petition, in the instant writ petition, paragraph 2, lordship may kindly have a look, my lord. I have specifically, it's my categorical case, my lord. Para 2, page 6 of the writ petition. That the petitioner has a lordship got it, my lord? That the petitioner begs to state that the Boroland Territorial Council is being created by way of a constitutional amendment in the year 2003. The subject of tourism is provided in paragraph 3B of the strict schedule of the Constitution of India. The BTC has adopted the Assam Tourism Service Rule 1992. So far, appointment of the grade 3 and 4 are concerned, the BTC shall have the power for recruitment for the said post as per the memorandum of settlement dated 10/2003. The procedure pertaining to appointment is in accordance with Assam Tourism Service Rules 1992. Lordship may kindly note this part. Further, the requisite qualification is not only in accordance with Assam Tourism Service Rules 1992, but also with certain additional other requirements as provided by BTC at the time of selection. The procedure adopted by BTC is inclusive of the procedure as provided in the state of Assam Service Rule 1992. My categorical case is that, my lord. Now they cannot come up with a stand. Your lordship, manner of appointment is different, my lord. In the memorandum of settlement, it's specifically there, your lordship may kindly have a look. Clause H, my lord. That no?
See, we have been considering this matter for a long time.
Yes, my lord.
Alright.
My lord.
Now they've come up with the stand that the grade 3 and 4 BTC is the appointing authority.
Yes,
But from grade 2 onwards, so far as this post getter is
my
concerned,
lord.
it is done by the government
Government of
or
Assam.
the APS.
My lord.
Correct.
My lord.
Now, in the other case, you've got a interim order.
Yes, my lord. My lord.
The interim order says what?
Lordship,
Not to
not to
promote,
appoint,
not to promote,
not to promote.
To the
Yeah,
post
my
of,
not to undertake the promotion exercise. To the, to
My lord,
the
I have
next-
filed an
to the
IR,
next
my
phase.
lord, that has been some extent, it has been modified, but restrained
No,
from
no.
appointment, my lord. That is my
Lordship,
IA is there, my lord.
lordship, in the order dated 14/6/2023. Order they have 14/6/2023. It has been passed in, my lord, IA Civil 1668/2023.
14/6.
2023.
Interim order is
Has
a
your lordship got it, my lord?
part of this writ petition also.
Oh,
Page
is a part of the writ petition.
Yes, yes, page 95, page
My
95.
lord, in IA
Lordship,
that has been
14/6/2023 order.
Page 95.
Page 95, no? Order starts at page 94, interim is at page 95. In the interim, no promotion process should be initiated for filling up the vacant post of tourist information officer from assistant tourist information officer till the next date. But this is continued.
Lordship, so I am submitting, there's one more order dated 14/6/2023. May I be permitted to read, my lord? So and so I has been filed with a prayer to extend the interim order. Ms. Bhay has submitted on the last occasion, so and so, that is there, your lordship. Then, in view of the above, I stands disposed of by providing that interim order dated 5/9/2022, passed in so and so shall extend it until further orders. So it has been operating. as-
So what more do you want in the new writ petition?
No, I have challenged the final gradation list.
No,
my
that's
lord.
why we
Yes,
issued
yes.
notice in the
Yes.
new writ
Yes,
petition.
my lord.
There's no need for an interim order.
I don't think they
Interim order is
already
already.
operating in the other
Interim is
matter.
operating.
What is the?
Instruction has come, my lord, we have to file the affidavit.
So
alternate
you
project.
file your,
Yes,
since
ma'am.
you've got your instruction.
Yes, yes.
My lord.
My lord,
I'll give you a short date.
Lordship, just I am indicating, my lord, another writ petition, one Jagannath Bhagavati, he has filed. His name is below in the gradation list. He has filed a writ petition. There is an order in that case to consider to held the DPC. And as we are not in a position to held the DPC, contempt case has been filed. That kindly take a note of that. That is what our
Lordship, I have annexed a copy of the order of Jagannath, my
In
lord.
that contempt, why should I take note that in that contempt you can produce the order passed by this court?
Yes, just I'm bringing to your lordship's notice. Lord.
And
That is the order.
here I'll just simply issue notice.
Lordship,
Please,
Lordship, kindly have a look at the order, my lord. But in contempt case number 54023, my lord. Lordship, the petitioner has alleged willful and deliberate violation of the order dated 19/5/23 passed in WPC 2756 of 23. But the next order is the 2756 of 2023. The next order I have given. But the last,
Which order?
I have given two orders.
One is writ petition, one is contempt.
Yes, my lord. In contempt, it is the
Notice was issued.
notice was issued. And the writ petition order is that, my lord. The second is writ petition order 2756 of 23. Last, kindly come to the last paragraph. In the light of the observations made above, it is hereby directed that within 4 weeks from today, a DPC be constituted for considering the case of all eligible departmental candidate for promotion to the post of TIO. So we are not in a position to help the DPC, and that is why the contempt is in filed. I'm just bringing it to your lordship's notice, my lord.
In the contempt that I'm not entering into the contempt. Because in the contempt you can issue. Furnish this order, pass in
True.
WBC 5568. But
My lord,
It is my duty
my
to
lord,
point
one
it
thing,
out.
my lord, I am the caveator, my lord. On the last occasion, I was supposed to make my lord submission, my lord, on the for the want of their instruction, my lord, I
See,
could not.
Barbuya, I'm discharging the caveat. But in 659, I'm just issuing notice.
Notice, my lord, and my other case, my lord, the next case, my lord, which is analogous, my lord. There is, my lord, only 2 points I like to apprise, my lord. Then lordship will pass appropriate order, my lord. First, my lord, the
No,
instant
5568, we are taking up today.
No, no.
No, my
It
lord,
is
I'll
not-
just clarify, my lord. I'll
Oh.
just
We are
clarify, my
motion,
lord.
my
Only
lord.
one thing, my lord. Lordship, kindly have a look in the instant writ petition 569, my lord. Lordship will see at page 43. Only page 43, my lord. Be seen, my lord. Page 43, lordship has come across.
Yes.
That is, my lord, her post was regularized on 1/1/2016. 1/1/2016, my lord, last bottom, my lord.
Mm.
And she is claiming, my lord, benefit of ad hoc, my lord. Though she is the number 2 below me, my lord. Now, lordship will see her appointment, my lord. Appointment was made, my lord, at page 38.
That is a different thing, Mr. Boy.
My lord, I'll just clarify, my lord, one thing. Why, my lord? Because
After the state government files the
my
affidavit.
lord, other case, my lord, my promotion, I am the number 1 and she is claiming number 2. And my promotion got held up. Then, my lord, honorable court on the last occasion on my IA said, my lord, government asked the government to go for a publication of the final gradation list. Accordingly, it has been published. And my number stands what? If she succeed also, her number will be number 2. Number 2,
Lordship.
if her date of regulation is taken account, her name cannot stand also in the gradation list. Ad hoc period cannot be counted, my lord. Only from the year. Lordship will pass to discharge my caveat, my lord, and
It's
Lord,
you know-
already discharged.
and my lord, my next day, my lord, my IA to be considered, my lord.
Lordship,
date
may
may
I
be
make my
fixed.
submission, my lord? It's a merit cum seniority. Mere inclusion in the gradation list will not give him any indecipherable right, my lord, for appointment or promotion, my lord. The DPC will consider the ACA as a relative merit of the candidates. First, my name has to be included in the gradation list, my lord, which they have not done.
MSB Boyan, the senior counsel assisted by MS.
Libor.
B. Boran and counsel for petitioner issue notice.
Select is to be-
Not you are appearing for?
I'm a
1 to 5.
Mr. D. Nath, Leonard, senior government advocate, and acceptance and accept notice on behalf of respondents 1 to 5. And BTC, B. Chowdhury, Leonard, standing counsel, BTC appears for respondents 6, 7,
7, 8.
8. And ABC,
I need the PSC, Mr. P. Doctor,
B.
Mr. PP Doctor.
Mr. B. Datta,
B.
Leonard,
Datta,
standing counsel APSC. For the respond number 9. Stop.
I am appearing respond number 10, my lord.
And Mr. Jay Barwell, Leonard counsel, enters appearance on behalf of respond number 10 by filing caveat. So, petitioner takes steps for service of notice. Why respondent 11?
Lordship, these are the person whose name appeared in the draft gradation list, my lord.
But he died.
Retired.
Retired.
He has retired.
Yes,
Retired, my
retired.
lord.
Struck off.
How can I strike
Mistake,
it off?
yes.
I can't strike it off. You'll have to.
I'll find one.
And how about 12, 13,
12 to
14?
13, 15. yes.
What address?
Address, my lord, they are the assistant development officer as per final gradation list. Through the Lordship government advocate, it may be done.
No. How can the government advocate serve notice?
We did not get the orders, your Lordship, the address portion.
How? You should know the address of this.
Lordship, may kindly have a look the final gradation list, my lord.
No, final gradation list is there, but
Yes,
then
my
how? What about the address?
99, may I have a look, my lord?
Page
Address is
100.
not there, your Lordship, page 100.
Then how do we issue notice?
Lordship, they are working in the government of Assam in the Directorate of Tourism, my lord. Through officer, if your Lordship directs, my lord, then through the Lordship concerned advocate of the department, my lord, government advocate.
This is the director.
For the director, they will go and give the copy to the director.
Yes, I may be allowed to serve through the director.
Petitioner takes steps for service of notice on respondent 12-15 by registered post through the director. Director of
Tourism.
Director of Tourism, Assam. Within a week from today.
As well as
Respondents are allowed to file counter affidavit.
Next one.
lordship, if lordship permits, I'll take dusty service also on them.
Okay. On top, you just put additionally, petitioner is also allowed to take justice service on the respondents 12, 13, 14, and 15 by justice service to the registrar of this court within the period of 1 week from today. After petitioner shall file an affidavit to the record. So then you say respondents are allowed to file counter. This after when, how much, how long?
After 2 weeks, to get it out.
After 2 weeks.
Because they put it there and all.
Yeah. After 3 weeks.
My lord, may I
Okay.
pray one thing, my lord? My IA, my lord, to be considered on that time, my lord. My IA is there, my lord, in the subsequent case, my lord.
Consideration of IA will be amount to.
So automatically it will not
Lordship fix any order, my lord. Lordship will fixing, my lord. If time doesn't permit, lordship will decide.
the
IA, my lord. I don't know.
IA number 3294/2023 passed in filed in connection with WBC 5568 of 2022 shall be considered on the next.
Lordship fixing a date, my lord.
No, I'm not fixing that.
Any date may be fixed, my lord. Otherwise,
Let them first come with the affidavit.
lordship.
31 of daily list admission.
Also, I have received this section.
Where is the petitioner's counsel? Yes.
Some time we will get, my lord. So at least 3 months, my lord.
They don't have money.
Lordship.
They don't have funds.
Lordship.
That is the problem.
So they can accommodate within short period of time, lordship.
See, you are saying 3 months.
Yes.
This court can dispose it of directing you to consider and pay the salary within 3 months. Supposing the grant in net does not come from the government
Yes.
within 3 months, what will happen?
Yes. Lordship will fix a bit after 3 months, my lord. Keep pending, my lord. Or my lordship may dispose of, my lord, directly 6 months, my lord, then,
Are you sure you'll get your grant in net in 6 months?
my lord, some amount will, they will get, my lord.
What are respondents here? You are applying for?
2 to 5 million.
Who applies for the state?
Question number 1 is Encadrement expense.
Yes.
That standing counsel, their name is not accepted. Otherwise, Mr. Alvar.
Is he around?
Yes, he's around.
Yeah, get him. Otherwise, you are not disputing the fact that
Yes.
error salary is due to the petitioner.
Judge admitted, my lord.
Otherwise, that all has left. They might not been. They might not been shown. So he has left the court. Okay, he was there, but yes, left.
Then we'll take it up on
Not that reflecting his name maybe next Monday or
okay. Fifth. Use data and I counsel for the petition.
See, after 6, any day. For 4th and 5th, I will not be able.
The registry is directed to reflect the name of R. Leonard, standing counsel,
handloom and textile.
handloom and textile, handloom and textiles department in the cost list. And list the matter again on 13th March.
10th.
I'm keeping this for the time.
32. May I please, as a lordship? My lord, this matter relates to, my lord, termination of service of the petitioner as an abbey constable from the border security force, my lord, for the reason as unauthorized absent. And I have, my lord, overstayed beyond my leave period, my lord. Now, my lord, I have taken the, my lord, ground that at that the overstay period, my medical condition, the mental health condition was not proper, my lord. And therefore, my lord, I could not take the appropriate decision at that relevant period of time. Thereafter, my lord, I have made after the termination, I have made series of appeals before the appropriate authorities, but those appeals has also could not, my lord, fulfill my request, my lord. That's why, my lord, I am now before my lordships, my lord. My lord, an affidavit has also been filed. But my lord, I think, my lord, if my lordship allows, my lord, some time is required in this petition for hearing, my lord. So may I pray for a hearing date, my lord? Reply. In the meantime, we'll find. Last part of March, my lord. Fix me.
Okay, on request, last part of March is practically just 2 days working.
Yes, my lord. Then in the, my lord, middle 20 or 21st of March, my lord, a hearing day, Thursday is a 21st of March, my lord.
Or we'll go to April, 2nd April,
My lord, my lord.
on request made by Boyan. List on 2nd of April.
Obliged. 33.
Lordship, here we were supposed to take instructions, but as far there's a noting in the file that no extra copy has been served till 22/12. Later on also, I don't think there's any extra copy served. Extra copy. Plus,
But Malo, you made the instructions regarding this. SLC.
my last occasion, direction was given for this year, Lordship.
Yes.
I will serve then, my lord. Otherwise, it's a matter of a commissioner appointment regarding my lord.
Hmm.
DLC have also
Learned
recommended the
counsel for the
SLC.
petitioner shall furnish extra copies of the writ petition to Mr. C.S. Hazarika and government advocate within the course of the day.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, list the matter again on when?
After 2 weeks, Lordship.
So many days. No instructions. Obliged, man.
List of.
All right.
34.
In this case, no.
Here, I am required to file the affidavit on behalf of respondent number 2, 3, and 2, 3, 4, and 5. But my affidavit is ready. Kindly give me 1 week time, but I'll bring it on Friday. Bye. I'll do it.
But Mr. R.K. Talukta, then the counsel. Mr. D. Nath, then the senior government advocate, suppose. that they
Here,
have-
standing counsel APGCL.
Oh,
Standing
then-
counsel
then-
APGCL.
then a standing counsel,
APGCL.
APDCL submits that affidavit in respect of respondents 2, 3, and 4 is ready. And he requires 1 week time to file the same.
Lot.
Yes, allowed. List up to 1 week.
35.
What's the petitioner's main prayer, my lord, their grievances with regard to the failure on the alleged failure on the part of the APDCL in enhancing their pay. As an order has been issued in December 2023, my lord. I'll just pass on a copy. Thank you. Whereby the pay has been enhanced, my lord.
Lordship, let them bring it by an affidavit. Lordship, I will have to take instruction.
There has been a process whereby, my lord, there is a scrutiny being conducted on a circle-wise basis, my lord.
Yes, bottom.
Lordship, I will have to take instruction this, your Lordship. On 6th, the matter may come up, your Lordship.
6 will be something.
Wednesday, your Lordship.
We'll have it on 11th.
11th.
Request made by us bottom. Is it okay, 11th?
Lordship.
11th, whenever it is instruction.
36. Please, your lordship. My lord, in this case, my lord, my petitioner participated in the selection process for the post of Gaubura, my lord. And he was selected, my lord. Select list was published, my lord. But appointment letter has not been issued, my lord. Now, my lord, the respondent authorities have filed their affidavit saying that one case is pending, my lord. But in that one case is pending against this post, my lord. But in that case, my lord, no stay order was granted, nothing, my lord. Your lordship.
Where is that case? What case?
My lord. Page 21, my lord, of the writ petition, my lord. He was not even eligible, my lord, that person, my lord. And already that writ petition is not even maintainable, my lord, before this honorable court, my lord.
Who's the petitioner here?
Here, my lord,
In this writ petition?
Deepak Kumar Mehdi, my lord.
No. WBC 244.
Oh, my lord, Nipul Das, my lord.
Yeah, what is your stand, Data?
We have filed an affidavit on the basis of the report received from the DCA. Their stand is that since there is an appeal pending before the appellate authority and it is pending before this court, due to this reason, they have not issued appointment order. This is the reason. Otherwise, no stay order is there.
There's no stay order.
No stay order. Repetition.
In the appeal, any order is passed?
No, my lord, in the nowadays, my lord, 3-4 years is required, my lord, in appeal. No,
Now this thing has been
constituted, but very irregular, my lord. I have 2-3 cases, my lord, before the appellate authority, my lord. It requires 3 years, 4 years, my lord, minimum. And my lord, there is no stay order, my lord. And his case was that he challenged the advertisement after publication of the select list, my lord. His case is that, my lord,
minimum age should be below.
What is the challenge in 244?
244, my lord, his case that the minimum age was fixed 25 years. According to him, it should be 30 years, my lord.
And notification he has been challenged, but
Notification,
Notification
but
challenge.
after publication of the select list, my lord, if he was aggrieved at all, my lord, he could have challenged that advertisement itself, my lord, not after publication of the select list, my lord.
This 244 is disposed?
No,
No,
Lordship, pending.
no, my lord.
When is it listed?
My lord, it was only notice was issued thereafter has not been listed, my lord. Just now I have checked, my lord.
We'll list this with 240.
Yes, my lord. Next week, my lord.
List this matter along with WBC number 244/2023 on 13th March.
Obliged.
Item 2 of production list, motion, Jalaluddin and 17 others.
May I please, Lordship? One advertisement was issued by the Director of Women and Child Welfare, Lordship.
Lordship, can you take it on that after 5 minutes, Your Lordship? Mr. T.C. Soti, I have given a file to him to study. He will appear. He is supposed to appear, but he's not. Just 5 minutes, Your Lordship.
Published.
Item 19,
Lord, this matter may be taken up on next week because he has not received instruction.
There are some complaints which I have received. Apparently, he has also annexed the same document or something, but basically it was stopped because of some complaint, Your Lordship.
It was in September. Then thereafter, no instruction. Fresh in December when interview was again conducted. With respect to that, there is no complaint, my lord.
My understanding is that, Your Lordship, what has happened practically right now, what is happening is that the director is now, he will be shifted. Just because of the election and all, Your Lordship, director will be shifted, Your Lordship. So there is no, it's not that there will be any other processing or something will be done, Your Lordship. So let me get instructions, but there is, otherwise, within 2 weeks.
Okay, Hardesky Ghosh, let me call for on request made by Mr. C.S. Hazarika, the governor. Is the matter after when?
After 2 weeks, Your Lord.
After 2 weeks?
Much.
Otherwise, I don't think I see no case.
Much.
37, admission.
Yeah, please. My lord, this is regarding compassionate appointment, my lord. Our case has been considered by the SLC, my lord. But no appointment order has been issued, my lord. Page number 18, my lord.
1 minute, 1 minute. Yes.
My lord, page number 18, my lord. Our name has been recommended by the state level committee, my lord, for appointment, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, no appointment order has been issued till date, my lord. This is my case. Page number 18, my lord. SLC meeting dated 2/3/2023, my lord. My name is serial number 1. Then serial number 8 and serial number 9, my lord. Our name has been considered. One. 1/8/9.
Yes, same code of action can it be? Recommended subject to available and 5% down. So in that case, yes, in that case, Your Lordship, on the last occasion, there was some instruction was directed to be obtained, Your Lordship. But I think the department would be in a position to do that because the SLC, it's not like the SLC will be sitting and asking for Your Lordship, this will be sent back to the department. possibly the department will have to then go and search if they take up necessary action with the other departments, find to see if there's
No,
another.
you are supposed to get the status report,
Lordship, about this, your Lordship,
vacancy.
about the vacancy, your Lordship. What I'm stating, your Lordship, is that on the last occasion that was given, your Lordship, but my humble submission is that SLC is that Chief Secretary and the other member secretaries will be there, your Lordship. Chief Secretary, obviously, after the files, after the SLC meeting is over, your Lordship, he sends the files to the members, the irrigation department or whichever concerned department, your Lordship. So as far as my knowledge goes, your Lordship, the department will then go and see if there's any this 5% vacancy is there or not.
According to your affidavit, department has sent for the vacancies, those are yet to be, those information is awaited.
Right.
In your affidavit in opposition. Page 24.
Anyway, your Lordship, let me get the instruction then, but right now it is awaited, your Lordship. Instruction, I don't have it, but I was initially under the impression that possibly the department would also have a role in so far as finding out the.
No, that one you have taken steps, all right.
Right.
As per your affidavit, but then the according to you, the was available vacancies, those informations are still awaited. So that's why this court said to get the information. But Mr.
FLS comment.
Learned Counsel for the petition. Mr. C.S. Hagarika, the government advocate. Place for another, how much time? 2 weeks.
2 weeks, your Lordship.
2 weeks time to enable them to receive instructions. Thanks a lot.
So response number 3, your Lordship, here. One is finance, one is irrigation. Response number
Please stop.
Any date?
20 March.
Applies to date? 20.
38.
Lord, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. R.P. Sharma. Possibly my learned
Lordship,
friend
yes,
will.
instructions are awaited, your Lordship.
They will
3
file
years,
it.
Lordship, 3 weeks time. He also said that he apparently has to go to the hospital or medical, some reason.
Your R.P. Sharma had some problem. He went to hospital.
So I am to record your name or?
But yes, no, my name, your Lordship, may record. On behalf of Mr. R.P. Sharma.
Mr. S. Datta, the senior counsel. Appearing on behalf of Mr. R.P. Sharma, the senior counsel for the petition. So, on request made by Mr. C.S. Hagarika, the government. How much time you require?
Yeah, your Lordship, 3 weeks.
3 weeks time is allowed to enable them to receive instructions. Please, Doctor, 3 weeks.
Obliged.
39.
My lord, this is the matter. My lord, I was given appointment by my lord, the Water Resource Department. Then after giving the appointment, I have joined, I have worked there. And just after a few days, my lord, the head clerk asked me, give your appointment letter. There is some incorrect version is there, we want to correct it. Then after the next day, I asked for that to give him back. He said, no, your service is no longer required. You can go back. So this is the position. Now, my lord, on the last occasion, when order was passed by this honorable court, 25/1/2024. They said that there is no clearance of finance department.
Yeah.
No, my learned friend can reply.
Yes, Lordship, on, in terms of last order, Lordship, I'm supposed to place my instruction, Lordship, but today morning also I talked to the department. They are in the process of furnishing me the instruction, Lordship. At this stage, Lordship, I'm praying for some time.
A short date may be given, my lord.
But Mr. S. Datta, the senior counsel, assisted by MS.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, Mr. Hari, and the counsel. On request made by P. Nayak, the standing counsel, finance department.
Yes, Lordship.
How much time?
Lordship will fix this matter on 15, 16, Lord.
List the matter on
15th is August, 16th is Saturday, no? 15th. 15 maybe.
2 weeks time is enough to enable him to receive instructions. List on 15th March.
I hope my learned friend will do something.
I'm appearing for the water resources.
MS
Art.
Article, the Standing Council appears on behalf of Water Resources Department.
Much obliged.
40,
This matter, the respondent number 7 is filed in affidavit, but the affidavit of the government would be necessary. So actually, what has happened is it's almost like a similar case where is there the same case, same petitioner. On the last occasion, this is the respondent number 7's appointment was not challenged on the earlier petition. Now it has been challenged, Your Lordship. Any case, Your Lordship, let these two matters be taken up together, Your Lordship, and in the meantime, we'll file this affidavit in this case also. Your Lordship.
But Mr. MP Sharma. Very complicated. Mr. CS Hazarika, the governor advocate, pays for some time to file, pays for how much time you require?
3 weeks.
3 weeks time to file an affidavit. The press allowed. List up to 3 weeks. Along with WBC number
3437 of 20.
3437 of 23.
3.
23.
Obliged.
41,
In this case, my lord, we have filed our affidavit in reply. So maybe taken up for admission hearing on any convenient date, my lord. This is with regard to selection and appointments.
Okay, on request made by HK Das, then it's counsel for the petition. When
Any date, my lord.
reached on 19th March.
Fine. 19, 20, 21, my lord. 21,
21.
deeply obliged.
43,
Made with lot. In this case, the respondent's counsel was asked to give instruction as to whether the case of the petitioner was placed before the SLC. So today, instruction was to Mr. Zeki Osami to bring the.
Yes, Hazarika.
Right. Lordship, let me take some time, Your Lordship. 1 week or 10 days time will be granted, Your Lordship.
But R. Shravan, then counsel for petitioner. On request made by Mr. CS Hazarika, then it's government advocate. 2 weeks time is allowed to enable him to receive instructions. It's not 2 weeks.
Okay, it come on 12 or 20,
That is not 2 weeks.
and on 20.
20 March.
44,
May it please your lordship, I'm challenging a disciplinary proceeding, your lordship. My 2 annual increments with cumulative effect.
Affidavit has been filed.
No, your lordship.
Who is appearing? TC Chutia.
Home Department, your lordship. 40. So instruction is that we have not received the instruction, my lord.
So what do you want? You want to proceed with the matter? Or?
No, my lord, some kindly take answer.
Okay, heard Mr.
T. Deori,
T. Deuri and counsel for petition. On request made by Mr. Christy Chutia and in addition senior government advocate. How much time?
2 weeks time, my lord.
2 weeks time is allowed to enable him to receive instruction and file affidavit.
May I pay for a fixed date, your lordship?
Based on first step, right?
Deeply.
45. Well, in this case, I entered my appearance on behalf of petition number 4, but some time may be granted to file an affidavit.
Respond number 4.
Yes,
In the meantime, my lord, here in this case, we have challenged the selection of respondent number 4. My lord, and we have filed also RTI seeking mark obtained in interview and judgment produced by submitted by the respondent number 4. That has not been denied to furnish. So, my lord, my submission, my lord, in the meantime, from respondent number 3, marks obtained by petitioner and respondent number 3, and judgments submitted by both of them may be
What
called for.
judgments?
For required for submitting applications.
Required some category for the LADCs, your lordship, come up. The results and answer scheme. And so they are required to use 7 judgment packets or 50
Five.
judgments of that they have appeared.
Session court judgment.
Session court judgment where they have appeared for being eligible to be appointed to the court. So my learned friend has challenged the appointment of the response number 4. And naturally, his response will be imperative in this case.
My lord. So, my lord,
And the government is also required to file their affidavit with the DLSA.
from respondent number 4, my lord, he is the.
Who appears for the DLSA?
I am a paying.
You appear?
Yes. So sometime may be granted. my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. Amar Kandagar, then the counsel for the petitioner. Mr. R. Islam.
yes, sir.
Then the counsel enters appearance on behalf of respondent number 4 and prays for how much time?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to file affidavit. Similar praise made by Mr. T.C. Chutiya, then additional senior government advocate. Appearing for the respondents,
Respondent number 3, my lord.
1, 2, and 3.
No, 2 I'm paying. First, 2 I'm paying. I've already filed my affidavit.
1 minute, 1 minute. I'm a party here.
That's the lordship, in our affidavit, we have said that the lordship cannot be made a party. It should actually have been made in the name of the member secretary as such.
Exactly.
This is
I
the
may,
mistake
I
of
may
the.
be allowed to correct. I will correct.
My affidavit I had made that skip. I was just about to.
So when I'm a party, can I, can I take up this matter?
My lord,
It should have been in the name of the member secretary as such, not in.
my lord, I will correct.
That correction will be made. in the
You'll have to file an IA. No, there's already a notification.
Yes,
My lord.
Then I'm
Cost
not
title.
passing any orders. You first correct the
Yes.
cost title. Mr. M.R. Kandagar and the counsel for the petitioner. Prays for how much time? 1 week?
1
1 week time to file an appropriate application for correction of the cost title. List after 1 week.
After 1 week, any date, my lord.
List
Have to
on
file it. First, let him file, my lord, then.
Before that, I will.
No, before one heard it.
By Monday, I can file.
We have to file affidavit, my lord. We require 3 weeks time.
let them be
let them
the
file it.
IA.
That is why.
Yes.
Yes,
List on 13.
we have to file the affidavit subsequently.
13.
I am on.
46.
Such a petitioner is at present working as a Havildar in Fort Assam Police Battalion. Let's say all the person of same batch has been sent for promotion. Name of the person has been sent for consider their case for promotion to the ABSI. That petitioner name has not been sent till today. Looks like.
Yes, Chitya,
My lord,
have you received instructions?
no, my lord, we have not received instruction of some time may be given, my lord.
But Mr. S.K. Goswami, learned the counsel for the petitioner. On request made by T.C. Chutiya, then additional senior government. How much time you require?
2 weeks time, my lord.
Are you sure?
Yes, my lord.
2 weeks time is allowed to enable him to receive instruction. List
We have also filed an application for implement of the commandant of Fort Assam Battalion as a party. That application has not been tagged. Lordship may tag this matter.
let it come, it will
Look,
come by itself.
oh,
List
look,
after 2 weeks.
And interim order to pass earlier continue.
Interim order pass earlier to continue till the next session.
Obliged.
47 orders.
May to the Lordship. This IA is for correction of for amendment of post title, Lordship. There is some error in the petition. In the name of the petitioner number 2 in the main petition. I have given a schedule at page 9, Lordship, of my petition. Then there is some
This petition is disposed of.
petition disposal, Lordship.
Order is in page
Yes,
number,
yes, yes, 12, Lordship.
page number
11.
11.
Yeah, what is wrong in the order?
Lordship, wrong, there is no wrong in the order. Lordship, in the post title, the name of the petitioner and his father's name was wrongly written. Surname of
How
the
can we change that now? Now the judgment is already pronounced.
Lordship, I have made it earlier also in some cases.
I don't know whether in other cases that is well, but this court is not very lenient on this issue. When the case has been disposed of, how can we change it now?
Lordship, since there is some mistake in the order, in the name, Lordship.
That
therefore
is
he-
your mistake, isn't it? That was
Lord.
your mistake.
Yes, Lordship.
Throughout the writ petition, you did not change it. After the judgment is pronounced, now you come
Because-
for changing in the main writ petition, which is already closed. How can I open the writ petition? You think about this and come back.
Yes, Lord.
On request made by R. Sharma, then it comes for petitioner, at least after 1 week, 2 weeks,
This after 1 week, Lord.
after 1 week. You think about it properly.
Yes, Lord.
48.
My lord, in this case, my lord, we have paid for substitution of the contender, my lord.
Substitution of the contenders?
Yes, my lord, the contender, my lord, he has been transferred, my lord. An order was passed to the directing the deputy commissioner to do certain things, my lord. But
So
the,
you want it to be substituted or
by the present one, my lord.
or by way of implement?
Yes, my lord.
How many contenders are here?
Only one, my lord. Direction was given only to the deputy commissioner, Kamrup.
So you want that meant to be substituted or
Yes.
you want implement as respondent number 2?
My lord, he may be implemented as respondent number 2, my lord. Present deputy commissioner.
Heard, Mr.
I should remember.
I Chowdhury, learned counsel for the applicant. By this application, the applicant is praying for implement of, who's the implement?
My lord, Sumit Satuwan, my lord.
For implement of Sumit Satawan, Deputy Commissioner, Kamrup, within bracket M, Guwahati pin 781006. As party respondent number 2 in contempt case number
My lord, 695 of 2023.
695 of 2023. On the ground that the earlier incumbent has been transferred out and the aforesaid incumbent is holding the post now. Stop. After consideration of the court shown in the present application, prayer for implement is allowed. IS disposed in the main contempt in view of the order passed in I number so and so. Let so and so be implemented as party respond number 2 in the present contempt petition. Stop. Petitioner is directed to file a amended cost title within 1 week. Stop. Para. Issue notice to the newly implemented respond number 2. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondent number 2 by registered post AD within 1 week. Release the matter after 6 weeks.
My blood.
49 of supplementary list. Ordered.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, steps could not be taken upon respondent number
4 to 8 and 10 to 21. Your Lordship may grant for us to for paper publication.
Why you couldn't take steps?
We cannot get a proper address, Your Lordship.
Have you got the address now?
And Your Lordship, you may grant for paper publication to paper publication, Your Lord.
Mr.
S. Diffusa appearing on behalf of M. Chaudhary, Your Lord.
S.
Diffusa appearing on behalf of M. Chaudhary, Your Lord.
Appearing on behalf of Mr. M. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petition submits that steps upon the respondents 4 to 8
And 10 to
and
21.
10 to 21 could not be taken, as they could not get the proper address of the aforesaid respondents. Stop. The learned counsel therefore prays for taking steps by way of substitute service. Stop.
I have not received the extra copy, Lord. I am got a respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
The petitioner is permitted to take steps for service of notice by among the respondents 4 to 8 and 10 to 21 by publishing the notice in 2 local newspapers having wide publication in the state of Assam, within bracket 1 in English and 1 in vernacular, within a period of
2 weeks.
Period of 2 weeks from the date showing the returnable date as 3rd of April 2024. Stop. Thereafter, petitioner shall file an affidavit to that effect. Released on 3rd April. You furnish extra copy.
Yes, Lord. Bless you, Lord.
How about respondent 9?
They have received the, Your Lordship.
Who has received?
Your Lordship, service is already completed for respondent 9, Your Lordship.
Where is it? Okay.
May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, as per office note dated 29 to 24, Lordship, service is complete in respect of respondent number 4 to 92, Lordship. Copy here. May please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm appearing for the General Administration Department in this matter. Here, what has happened is, my lord, the petitioners haven't served us any copy. In fact, the notice was issued, I think.
We are actually also government in a way wrongly accepted the notice. All the parties are with the GAD, Your Lord.
So therefore, my lord, we are tooless today. Just we have been informed that we are there, my lord.
Anybody appearing for the private respondents?
No, my lord. Today, no one has.
Heard Mr.
Jai Hatimur, Your Lord.
J. So for the petitioner. Peruse the office note dated 29 to 2024. Oh, peruse the proceedings of the Lawazima court dated 29 to 2024. The notice on respondents 4 to 92
92.
shall be deemed to be complete. Legal counsel for the petitioner is also directed to furnish extra copies of the writ petition to Mr.
K. Fukan for
K. Fukan, and the standing counsel.
General Administration.
GAT.
For respondent number 1, 2, and 3, if that is
For
given.
respondents 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3.
Within the course of the day,
Yes, Lord.
next the matter after
My lord, 3 weeks, Lord.
2 weeks.
Deeply obliged. Obliged, Lordship.
51.
Lordship, here we have challenged the selection of additional notary, my lord, and there
No,
was
but
an.
why is it coming up today for orders?
In fact, my lord, on 21st of December 2020, I'm sorry, 22nd of December 2023, the Supreme Court has already passed an order that the selection process has already started and the outcome, the process will be subject to the final outcome of the order. That was the order only passed.
In the meantime,
Meanwhile, my lord, the interview has already taken place. Now, we have already asked for the Paris comment, but we are yet to receive the Paris comment. Because normally what happens, my lord, when the discipline session judge of the concerned district forwards the list, as per that, the call letters are issued. In other cases, I found in 2 lists are there, the petitioners' names are not there, and they do not specifically come forward saying that when they have applied, for whom they applied, how they have applied, whether the format. Anyway, we'll file our reply once we receive the Paris.
in the meantime, my lord, 5 respondents, they have been appointed, my lord.
1 minute.
Order of this court, my lord,
22nd of December. 21st December. I'm sorry.
21st December 2000.
Whether notice has been served on the private respondents.
Notice is already issued, madam.
Issued, my
Notice-
lord.
Notice is issued.
Private respondents, are you appearing for the private?
I'm appearing for respondent number 5, 7, 10, 13, and 20. Lordship, there are, Lordship, 23 numbers of private respondent.
Hmm.
Out of them, Lordship, I am representing 5 only.
5,
5, 7, 10, 13, and 20.
My lord, after the honorable court's order, the 5 respondents represented by my friend, they have been appointed on 22 of this month.
5, 7.
5, 7, 10, 13, 20.
5, 7, 10,
13
and
and 20.
20. How about the other respondents?
That, my lord, perhaps ID card not received.
Fatima, Miss Emma Kandagal, and the council for petition. Stop.
I'm only for respondent number 1
Mr. You'll be appearing as what?
as additional agent.
Additional AG? Learned, Mr. D. Majumdar, learned additional AG, appearing on behalf of the respondent number
1
1.
only.
Praise for how much time?
No, let it be 4 weeks time. We have not-
Praise for 4 weeks time to enable him to receive instructions. Stop. Mr.
M. Ahmed.
M. Ahmed, learned counsel, enters appearance on behalf of the private respondents 5, 7, 10, 13, and 20. Stop.
Lordship,
Yes,
we
the
will
matter.
also file addition affidavit in opposition.
And praise for 4 weeks time to file addition, to file affidavit in opposition. Stop. Awaiting service reports on the respondent 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 12.
Lord, you can simply say the remaining private
Mm.
respondent.
Awaiting service report on the remaining private respondents.
Yes.
List the matter after 4 weeks.
My lord, may I pay date after 4 weeks? My lord? In the meantime,
List the matter on 3rd April.
Highly obliged.
if necessary, my lord, I will file another writ petition, bring on record to the appointment, my lord.
That is up to you.
That's
Item 2 of production list.
Yes.
Lordship, one advertisement was issued by the Director of Women and Child Development for recruitment of various posts, Lordship.
1 minute. Women and Child Development.
Yes, Lordship. Advertisement. I
Have
have-
you served copy on the union?
Yes, Lordship.
Where's the union?
Director of Social Welfare is the main party, Lordship.
Hmm?
Director of Child and Women and Child Development is the main party, Lordship. He has conducted the recruitment procedure. Lordship.
Okay, where's the advertisement?
advertisement at page number 34, Lordship.
Mm.
We are concerned with page number 36, Lordship, district recruitment of district child protection officer, and page number 37, Lordship, protection officer.
District Child Protection Officer.
Yes, Lordship, and page number 37, protection officer, institutional care,
Mm.
and 38, Lordship, protection officer, non-institutional care. We are concerned with these three recruitment only, Lordship.
1 minute. Yes.
Yes, Lordship. Page number 36, Lordship. The eligibility criteria was prescribed. It is as postgraduate degree in certain subjects, Lordship, with 3 years experience in certain field, Lordship. Star number 2, Lordship, at least 3 years experience of work with government, non-government organization in documentation and so, Lordship. This is postgraduate qualification, Lordship. And page number 37, Lordship, protection officer, institutional care. The qualification prescribed is postgraduate as well as, Lordship, graduate with experience, Lordship. Postgraduate degree or, Lordship, thereof graduate in social work and so with experience, Lordship, with 2 years experience in project formulation. Similarly, Lordship, protection officer, non-institutional care also, postgraduate degree or graduate degree with experience, Lordship. So from this itself, it is evident that the district child protection officer is superior to the protection officer, non-institutional care, and protection officer, institutional care. Moreover, Lordship, there is a guideline. I have annexed at, Lordship, page number 71, Lordship. This is the guideline of Mission Bachaloy, Lordship, under which this recruitment process has been initiated. At page number 71, Lordship. Role and responsibility of duty holder of district child protection unit, protection officer, institutional care. Under the supervision of DCPO, the protection officer, institutional care shall ensure effective implementation of the so, Lordship. That means protection officer, it works under the district child protection officer. Similarly, Lordship, protection page number 72, Lordship, 72, point number 2, Lordship, protection officer, non-institutional care. Under the supervision of DCPO, the protection officer, non-institutional care shall ensure effective implementation. So he is also under the district child protection officer, Lordship. Now, Lordship, if your Lordship come to page number 75, this is the page number 75, Lordship. B, Lordship, capital B, Lordship. Selection process of staffs under district child protection units, DCPU. Is 1, Lordship, a selection committee constituted by the state principal secretary / secretary, headed by the district magistrate, shall head the selection committee for selection and appointment of the staff of DCPU. The district selection committee may include district level officer, for example, district program officer, ICDS, district social welfare officer, chairperson, member of CWC, member of JJB, etc. Next, it is important, Lordship. Once the district child protection officer, DCPO, is appointed, either by deputation or contract, he shall also be a part of the selection committee. So DCPO is a member of the selection committee to select candidate for protection officer, institutional care, and protection officer, non-institutional care, Lordship. So he is superior to these two officers, Lordship. Now, as per that advertisement, Lordship, if you come back to the advertisement, Lordship, all these petitioners are working under Mission Bachaloy, Lordship, and at page number 41, Lordship.
Page number
41, Lordship, of the advertisement. Last, the selection process, large part, Lordship. The shortlisted candidates will have to appear a computer-based written test on relevant subject. There are two aspects, Lordship, computer-based and relevant subject. Relevant subject is not defined in the entire advertisement nor in the guidelines, Lordship. So relevant subject will mean the subjects which are according to the qualification prescribed, Lordship. Secondly, Lordship, computer based. It was supposed, the test was written test was supposed to be computer based. Second point, Lordship, any candidate having working experience, especially under the mission Bachalaya, will be awarded marks on the basis of the experience. This is in the advertisement, Lordship, no cut-off mark has been prescribed. No reservation policy has been followed, Lordship. Lordship, petitioners are eligible according to the qualification, so they applied in the for the recruitment, and they have been issued the admit cards and all. Thereafter, Lordship, page number 66.
Yes.
On 16 February 2024, it was informed that the written test was supposed to will be held on 25th of February 2024. It is informed to all concerned that the OMR based, this is simple OMR based, no computer based, Lordship. MCQ examination for the following post under mission Bostale, always by advertisement so and so, will be held on 25th of February 2024. Now, Lordship, last part, last line. The written examination will be held for 70 marks on general English, general awareness, and subject related to child and protection. So instead of relevant, they have narrowed down the relevant subject to only 3 subjects: general English, general awareness, and subject related to child rights and protection.
Yes.
This, according to the petitioner, is only to include in the recruitment process certain underqualified persons who are blue-eyed to the respondent authorities, Lordship. Now, this declaration was made on 16th of February 2024, and around 9 days after they have conducted the written examination, Lordship. Petitioners appeared in the written examination, and after that, on 25th written examination was conducted, and just after 1 day, on 27, they have issued the list whereby they have declared who are the candidates who have qualified in the written examination at page number 67, Lordship.
Yes.
This is the notice whereby they have declared that these are the candidates who were found to be qualified in the written examination, Lordship. This, from on 25 they have conducted the test, and 27 they have declared the result. This shows that they have acted in unusual haste way, and in this honorable court has held in numerous cases, then anything sought to be done in an unusual haste manner is to be constituted arbitrary and so illegal. And because of this haste action, Lordship, they have committed error. And because of that, very next day, on 28th, page number, Lordship, 69, they had to publish an addendum declaring that few more persons have been qualified as per the list enclosed. This irregularity occurred only because the respondent authorities tried to do something in an unusual haste manner, Lordship. So, Lordship, now from page number 67, Lordship, it can be seen, Lordship, they have published the list of candidates who were found to be qualified in DCPO, PO institutional care, protection officer non-institutional care. They have conducted a single written test for all the 3 categories of recruitment, Lordship. District child protection officer institutional care, protection institutional, non-institutional care, Lordship. And as per the petitioner, Lordship, this DCPO is the head of the district. There is only one post. Protection officer IC and protection officer NIC may be minimum 1 to maximum 3, Lordship. So if your Lordship come back to the advertisement again at page number 36, Lordship, the post is transferable. All these posts are transferable, Lordship. Page number 36, eligibility criteria, last part, Lordship, the post is transferable. Secondly, Lordship, 37, last part, the post is transferable. And third part, Lordship, the post is transferable. Now, from this notification, it is seen that they have selected the candidate district-wise. But according to the petitioner, this DCPO and all the posts are not to be selected district-wise. A state-wise merit list to be prepared, and after that, the authorities may appoint those selected person
Where is that?
district-wise.
Where is that?
That part is not there because they have to file this.
No, my lord, apparently, my lord, I have.
But in even then, lordship, they have conducted only single and paste, and they have not declared any marks. Who have got how many marks? No, everything has been done.
So why
in
mark
a
will be
cryptic
declared?
manner, lordship. No transparency in the
There in
recruitment.
the office, lordship quality page 75. Select list means headed by district magistrate, meaning thereby selection will be in the district wise. Thereafter marks will come and they will scrutinize in the state level. They will publish the result. That is the procedure. Let me have the instruction, or let it be my lord, Tuesday. I will obtain instruction. I know well, my lord. I have appeared in this earlier case, my lord.
Lordship,
Earlier case was regard to eligibility
Eligibility,
criteria.
that is there, same
And
advertisement.
one, if I'm not wrong, one
Yes,
Bobidas, one Bobidas was said to have, not to have the qualification.
Gogoi.
No, Bobidas.
Bobidas also,
I
yes.
remember.
Yeah,
ID number
Yes,
20.
no, their allegation is
That
lordship.
writ petition was dismissed.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
You are referring, you submitted the shortlisted candidate where Bobidas appeared as
No,
serial number
Bobidas. Ultimately, we
one,
found
where
that
she
Bobidas
was
not shortlisted.
not qualified.
Yes, not qualified and not shortlisted also.
Petitioner's claim was that she was qualified.
Yes, qualified.
Correct?
Yes.
Without having the.
Yes, yes.
Anyway, that is different. But this is the same exam.
The exam, same exam, my lord. That's why I will obtain instruction, I will get it. Because of short that means today's, my lord, now is computerized. All are computerized. They are sent in the computer. Examination are also operated in the computer. That's why it come immediately and they able to, my lord, publish result within short day. What wrong? It does not mean that short day after tomorrow or they 2 days after tomorrow they have prepared the result. Does it mean it is illegal? No, my lord. They have participated in the examination. They cannot, my lord, even file a writ petition if they are not selected. I
No,
selected.
No, what is your ground?
the ground is one.
You were selected in the written test?
No.
Not selected.
Then if they are
Not-
not selected in the written test, my lord, they allegation cannot be accepted. my lord.
This list they cannot verify because they have not published the marks obtained by the candidate who appeared in the
Submission and
1 minute.
and lordship they are working is mission Bachaloya, and so according to the advertisement they are supposed to get some marks. That marks have been given to the petitioners or not, that also not known. Everything is
Then-
cryptic, lack of transparency, lordship.
Suspicion, my
All
lord,
the
then
three
injection.
categories of cadre have been recruited through one written test, lordship. So the CPO is superior, so for that post there should be some other one single written test, and for the post of protection officer, institutional and non-institutional, there should be a separate test, lordship. But they have
Is
conducted
there
a single test.
provision provided like that?
That election profit, no, but from this lordship, it is the CPO is superior. So as per the protection officer works under the DCPO. So there has to be separate two test, lordship. So though in the clearly it is not written anywhere, lordship, but applying a reasonable analogy, lordship, it can be held that two separate tests to be conducted for DCPO and PO, lordship. And no marks, and lordship, I have specifically stated in paragraph 11 that there were irregularities in the question papers also, lordship. Paragraph number 11, lordship.
And the guidelines here, annex, my lord, is not completed. I know well more than that guidelines. I have gone
Paragraph,
through it, my lordship, seen it. Guidelines here, annex is not, is a annex of 3 only, the annex.
lordship,
More than that, 1, 2, 3. Other part he has not annexed.
I have annexed the district things.
Whatever they are getting it,
Let
they are
them get the
annexed.
instruction, lordship, till then appointment not to be made.
No, they are not selected candidate. Why?
Results have been declared.
Declare.
Results of Vaivavasi yesterday conducted, lordship. I have no instruction whether it has been declared or not.
Then?
So, lordship,
No, I will offer instruction.
let
That is
let
beyond
them
what they say.
declare the result also. I have no anything in that regard, but the final appointment not to made till
No,
the returnable date.
No, I am opposing it because, my lord,
Otherwise, grave
no,
injustice.
because
in the
of-
country.
because
They are
it is now-
working in the mission Bachalai.
no, my lord, selector candidate will be deprived because the election is coming on. In the March, I think, second week or first week, my lord, second week will declare. The code of conduct will come. So how they will appoint? They will be deprived of only because of that unselected candidate. That's why I will obtain instruction
Within
by Wednesday. I
by
will get
Wednesday.
it. from the district is here.
Let the lordship make.
No, his
counter
allegation
record,
is
lordship,
vague. His allegation is on
Tomorrow is a
suspicion.
holiday. Tomorrow is a holiday.
Tomorrow is okay.
It's a
Yes,
working day.
the Saturday and Sunday.
Tomorrow is a working day. So we'll list it on Monday then.
Yes,
No,
lordship.
no, Monday will be difficult, my lord.
Tomorrow is a working day.
Saturday we are not working. We are taking the chance of the Saturday and Sunday. You all along we have to sit here. Tuesday, my lord. No problem.
Let this come on
Tuesday, my lord, I
I
will
have
get
no
it.
objection, but
Third,
lordship,
Mr.
AD Chaudhary, lordship.
A.D. Chaudhary will counsel for the petitioner on request made by T.C. Chutia, Leonard. Additional senior government advocate list the matter again on on 5th March.
Wednesday, my lord.
Tuesday on 5th March.
Till then, no appointment to be
No,
made,
no,
lordship.
No,
Lordship, they are working in
No,
a very
no,
fast
no.
manner, lordship. Any day they can issue the
Till
appointment.
the next reasonable date. The results of the Viva Voce test for the post of child district child protection officer, comma, protection officer within bracket institutional care, and within bracket and protection officer within bracket non-institutional care shall be what is it till the next the result shall not be declared.
So result may be declared, my lord. Stay. Appointment shall not be given till what they say.
Not appointment. Let the results not be declared.
Declare, my lord.
Let him declare on Tuesday.
He'll provide the copy today. It's
Yeah,
about
furnish a copy, extra copy.
Yes, yes.
Like,
Obliged, lordship.
52 of daily list hearing.
May I please your lordship? The petitioner is an unfortunate police personnel, lordship. He was dismissed from service, lordship.
Affidavits all ready?
Yes, they have filed their affidavit. We have filed our rejoinder also.
that may be fixed for hearing, my lord. I'm going through it, my lord.
Today is for fixed for hearing.
We have filed a petition.
You are not defended.
No, depending, my lord. Special superintendent of police has filed a petition, my lord. Ready otherwise, my lord.
So you're ready for the hearing? Or you
Not today, my lord. Next week, my lord.
heard as Kanawal and counsel for the petition on request made by T.C. Chutia and additional senior government advocate. List the matter again on when do you want?
Any date, my lord, next week, my lord?
Next week, some difficulty is there.
None. March.
14th?
14 March.
14 March.
If you're there.